Marhay na bangki, Bicol Lancha, maay na gabi, Masbate. This is the moment we all been waiting for, where the best of the best face up in high-stakes battle for supremacy. This is the battle for glory and greatness, the Ako Bicol Cup Masbate Finals. Tonight, the Milagros Municipal Covered Court becomes the battleground where legends are made. The final province in this monumental journey. This is where dreams collide, and only the struggles will survive. In one corner, standing undefeated with a flawless 9-0 record. Will they remain invincible tonight, or will they taste their first defeat? We have the powerhouse, the pride of Placer! A reliable big man who played at University of the Visayas, wearing jersey number 4, Melvin Butuhan. A sharp shooting guard from University of San Carlos, wearing jersey number 8, Froilan Monggubat. A product of University of the Visayas Green Lancers and a former most valuable player of CESAPIS Season 22, wearing jersey number 12, Giselle Tarosa. A Komuhar from Southwestern University, wearing jersey number 16, Steve Castro. Another excellent court general, Mr. Excellent from Cebu Institute of Technology, wearing jersey number 24, John Carl Escalona. A two-way player from Cebu Eastern College, wearing jersey number 25, John Mark Bukhao. A dominating force inside the frame from University of the Visayas, wearing jersey number 40, Kenneth Chavebrillo. A mobile pig who can be a threat in both inside and outside, from Southwestern University, wearing jersey number 88, Mark Christopher Racho. A force to be reckoned with inside the frame from Mapua University, wearing jersey number 17, Jamir Eligado. A pesky backup guard from the southern Masbate Roosevelt College, wearing jersey number 7, John Peter Gallego. Last but definitely not the least, a quick and agile guard from University of Cebu, wearing jersey number 41, Harold Andrina. And for the head coach for Team Placer, head coach Ansel Valiena, assistant coach Kid Larobes, assistant coach Elni M. Juranco. In the other side of the horn, with a resilient heart and a fierce 7-1 setting, we have the relentless finalist. Can they trust the swords and make their opponent bleed? Mga kasurog, Team San Fernando! A reliable backcourt from Annunciation College, wearing jersey number 5, Cyrus Pujol. A sharp shooting guard from University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, wearing jersey number 6, Ian Vincent Alvarez. A product of Annunciation College Juniors, who also played for Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, wearing jersey number 16, Ian Onhofe. A steady pickup from Solis Institute of Technology, wearing jersey number 7, Brad Nicolas. A reliable forward off the bench from Osmeña Colleges, wearing jersey number 8, Shade Macaalay. A former varsity player of Bicol College Maroons, wearing jersey number 10, Bombay Malapas. On unstoppable force in the paint from Annunciation College, wearing jersey number 12, Aaron Pujol. The inside muscle of the front court from Liceo de Masbate, wearing jersey number 15, Jomar Pujol. The steady pillar of the team from CCDI Sorsogon, wearing jersey number 20, Marchard Pujol. A 90 athletic center from Diliman College, wearing jersey number 21, Junel Bahuzon. The triple-double machine and the maestro of Team San Fernando from EM's Barrio Legazpi City, wearing jersey number 19, Razon Azerpol Asper. A high-scoring guard in the product of Annunciation Panthers, the pride of San Fernando, wearing jersey number 23, Carlo Montones. And for the head coach for Team San Fernando, Mr. Raymond Brajar and Harold Luzon. Masbate, who will be your champion? Who will carry the torch of victory and lead the teams of Masbate into the Inter-Province Championships? The stage is set. This is the final provincial championship of Baco Bicol Cup. The teams are ready, and the moment is now. Let the battle for glory begin! May we request everyone to please all stand as we sing for our national anthem to be followed by the prayer.
Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering us all today in this important endeavor. We ask that you bestow your guidance and blessing upon each attendee. May we honor one another by keeping an open mind. May we voice our truth and listen with an open heart. Bless everyone present today, that each may be able to share his or her contributions and gifts. Grant good health and safety to loved ones left outside this room, and bestow peace and goodwill to all of us. We ask for your wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities related to this day be a success through your intervention. With gratitude, we offer this prayer in your name. Amen.
Players and coaches, let's do the ceremonial handshake. This is your Ako Bicol Cup Masbate Finals, best of 3, the battle for glory and greatness. Atin po!
Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan, mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di sa muya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapakipakinabang.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ng pagpapasalamat niya mo dahil may kamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Dakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan. Mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapakipakinabang.
Maraming salamat. Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilinguan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon ining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan. Mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapakipakinabang.
Maraming salamat. Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Dinot sa gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arab po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Paano kaya kung nagpatuloy lang ang Team Baleno sa kanilang laro after that Noy Fragoso's disqualifying foul sa kanilang match-up sa quarterfinals? Maipapanalo kaya talaga ng San Fernando in a regular manner ang laban na iyon? O talaga bang ang panalong yon through forfeiture ang naitadhana para magkaroon sila ng mas magandang pwesto sa nagdaang semi-final round? Marami ang napahanga ng pataubin nila ang kupunan ng Aroroy upang masungkit ang mailap na spot dito sa ating championship series. Well, it has been indeed a roller coaster ride for San Fernando to reach the highest level in our competition. Will Dazzle Paul Aspe's brilliance inside the court continue, or will he even raise the bar for distinction? Magiging malakas kaya ang epekto ng hindi pagigiba attitude ng Pohol Brothers para sa serye na ito? Pero sa kabilang banda naman, magpapatuloy ba ang pagdomina sa ilalim ng mga bigs ng undefeated Team Placer with the likes of Kenneth Brillo, Mark Cristoferacio, and the mobile Jamir Elegado? Will the hot shooting hands of Froilan Mangubat and Steve Castro cause some degree of damage to spoil the high hopes of their opponent? Will Giselle Tarosa's MVP instincts be manifested in a much higher form? And finally, will Coach Edsel Ballenas develop and sound strategy pursue and get the first win dito sa ating serye? Ito ang Ako Bicol Cup Masbate Best of 3 Series. Hatid pa rin po sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico, Kong Jill Bongalon at Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurug pa. And yes, mula po dito sa Milagros Municipal Covered Court, ang aming pong pagbati ng magandang gabi Pilipinas. Hello world! Maayong gabi mga kasurog. Ako po ang inyong kapartner na cowboy na mahilig sa uhoy, Kapa Morgan, or ang aking totoong pangalan po ay Alex Madronio. At ito naman ang aking totoong kaibigan at makakasama ngayong gabi, walang iba, ang nag-iisang Wadi John Batchelier. Magandang gabi sa iyo, partner.
Yes, magandang gabi sa iyo, Kapa. And what a way to start our game 1 with this halos hindi mahulog ang karayong crowd right now. Tama. And of course, these two teams, especially this Placer squad who's been unbeaten during the elimination round up to the semifinals. And ito namang San Fernando, Dazzle Paul Aspe is the glue that holds them. Kaya sila nandito sa ating finals.
And sige, para tuloy-tuloy ang ating programa at syempre pa hindi na masyado matagalan pa, eto, pasadahan na natin ang ating kasurog dynamic duo ng bawat kupunan.
Yes, partner on the side of San Fernando, leading the charge for them is si Dazzle Paul Aspe, who's been averaging 14 points per ball game, 8 rebounds per ball game. Ito, partner, yung napakagandang stats dito sa kanilang numbers is yung 11 assists per ball game, and yung steals, partner, is 4 steals per ball game, and turnovers, halos hindi makapag-turnover itong si Dazzle Paul Aspe during the games. And ito naman, ang katulong niya para matalo itong Placer dito sa ating game 1 is si Junel Bauson, who's been working wonders para dito sa San Fernando, averaging 21 points, partner, and almost double-double pagdating sa rebound. And yung turnover din, partner, very limit. Kaya talagang itong dalawang players na ito on the side of San Fernando are working wonders for them. And on the side naman ng Placer naman, partner, itong kakarating lang nila na si Jamir Eligado, who's been guest player sa ating Sorsogon League. Tama. And right now he's representing Placer. And he averages, during his last game, he averaged 20 points per ball game and 8 rebounds, partner. So talagang halos maganda ang naging contribution ni Jamir Eligado pagdating niya dito sa Placer side. Ito naman, the MVP, si Giselle Tarosa, who's been an MVP sa Sesafi talaga. Sesafi is a good league, and right now, he is averaging MVP numbers, partner. Averaging 13 points, 4 assists, 2 rebounds per ball game, and wala ding halos turnovers para dito sa side ni Giselle Tarosa.
Okay, so alamin natin, pupulsuhan natin kung maiingatan nga ba nila itong mga sinasabi nating mga turnovers at ganun pa rin ba ang magiging performance nila lalo pat nasa finals na tayo. So sige, pasadahan natin to. Puntahan natin ang ating CSR na si Miss Mabel Echegoyen para kapanayamin ang kasurog dynamic duo ng San Fernando.
Maayong gabi, Kapa Morgan and Coach John at sa ating mga kasurog. I am Mabel Echegoyen, one of your courtside reporter for the best of 3 finals of Ako Bicol Cup Masbate Game 1 battle between Team San Fernando and Team Placer. But before that, I am with the kasurog dynamic duo of Team San Fernando, Dazzle Paul Aspe and Jonel Bauson for a quick interview. So unahin mo na kita, Dazzle. How do you feel that finally your team is now at the finals of this tournament?
Una, syempre, pressure and masaya din kasi yung mga pinaghirapan namin simula ng elimination round, may pinagtunguhan na nakabot kami ng finals.
Alright, as a leader of your team, ano yung advice mo sa iyong mga teammates ngayong finals?
Sabi ko sa kanila, gawin nila yung role nila and mag-contribute sila, lakasan nila yung loob. Mas inorganize ko sila kasi sabi, finals na to, malakas rin yung kalaban namin. And yun, nakinig naman sila.
Alright, thank you, Dassel. How about you, Jonel? What do you think is your biggest contribution in this game 1 of the best of 3 finals?
Siguro sa pagiging hustle ko sa offense and defense. Yun lang.
Alright, good luck players and sa inyong team. Ayan na muna ang latest dito sa courtside. Back to the panel.
So ayun, may konting pressure nga, sabi ni Dassel Paul Aspe. Pero ganun pa man, sabi niya, partner, ini-inspire pa rin niya yung kanyang mga kakampi, o mga kasurog sa kanyang team na mag-contribute dito, lalong-lalo na at nasa game 1 na tayo ng ating best of 3 finals ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Masbate.
And on the side naman ni Jonel Bausan, partner, during the elimination round, he missed a 1-game partner. Pero after nung mag-miss niya ng isang laro, pagbalik niya partner, he is averaging almost double-double pagdating dito sa side ng San Fernando. Kaya sabi niya, yung hustle plays, and of course, yung shooting nitong partner, even though he's a big man partner, he has a soft touch pagdating dito sa outside shots.
And malakas tumalon yan at kaya niyang, magbigay ng mga spectacular dunks dito.
Yes, partner.
So we expect that dito sa ating mas tumitinding aksyon sa ating Game 1 ng ating Best of 3 Finals ng Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. And okay, para mapulsuhan naman natin yung kabilang kupunan, yung dynamic kasurog duo ng Placer. Eto, puntahan naman natin si Miss Carmela Hernandez.
Thank you so much, Kapa Morgan and Coach John. Magandang gabi, mga kasurog. Team Placer is set to face off against San Fernando in the first game of this Best of 3 series. With us today are the 2 key players from Team Placer. Let's dive into their thoughts and preparations before this crucial match. Right beside me is Jamir Alegado and Giselle Tarosa. First of all, congratulations for making it this far in the tournament. So Giselle, we all know naman na you've had a standout season so far. How are you feeling right now, especially heading into this first game of the finals?
Siyempre po, masaya. Kasi matagal namin tinatrabaho ito mula elimination. At isa pa, salamat rin ako sa Panginoon na binigyan niya kami ng lakas ng loob. Tapos lahat ng team, lahat ng mga players are healthy. Yun lang po.
Alright, Giselle. How about you, Jamir? Kwento mo naman sa amin kung ano ba yung naging preparation ng Team Placer for tonight.
So nagpahinga lang kami for the past few days. Tapos banding lang dun sa tinitiran namin din. Yun lang.
Alright, there you have it, mga kasurog. It's clear that Team Placer is both focused and excited for this final series. Best of luck in this game against San Fernando. We're all looking forward to a great series. This is Carmelo Hernandez. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Carmela Hernandez, and good luck to both of you, Jamir and Giselle, and the rest of the Placer team. Partner, Wadi, ano bang thoughts mo sa mga nasabi nila dun sa interview?
Tama dyan, si Jamir Alegado is no strangers pagdating dito sa ating liga. Nakapasok din sila dun sa Final Four dito sa Sorsogon Leg. And ito naman si Giselle Tarosa, who's been working wonders para dito on the side of Placer, and syempre producing MVP numbers. So talagang pakaabangan natin itong dynamic duo ng Placer.
Okay, so hindi naman kakayanin ng mga kasurog dynamic duos lang natin. So kailangan yung team. So para naman masilip natin yung comparative team stats, eto, pasadahan natin.
So ito partner ang ating team stats. On the side of San Fernando, pagdating sa points, they're averaging 93 points per ball game. That's a whopping 93 points partner. And also sa rebound assist partner, who's been very obvious dahil nandito nga si Dassel Paul Aspe with 23 assists per ball game and rebounds per ball game. Talaga yun na nga, Puhol Brothers producing numbers when it comes sa rebounding. Ito with 50 points and steals din partner, medyo mataas with steals, 15 steals pero 7 steals rather, and pagdating naman dito sa turnovers medyo napalaki with 15. And on the side of Placer naman partner, sa scoring they're averaging 90 points per ball game, and assists di rin nagkakalayo with the 19. And ito partner na nakakagulat na stats. Despite the size nitong Placer, medyo nakungusan sila ng San Fernando ng 5 rebounds, averaging only 45 rebounds per ball game. Sa steals naman partner, dun bumawi itong Placer because of the pesky guards na meron ng Placer with 11 steals per ball game. And ito turnovers, hindi nagkakalayo. Meron silang 16 averaging sa larong ito.
Okay, para mapatunayan sa atin yan dito sa larong ito. Eto na po, susunod na ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup Masbate Best of 3 Series Game 1. Let's do this.
This is your favorite night of the Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. Brought to you by Congressman Johnny Bato Bicol Parties. We welcome you everyone inside of the Weapons Common Board number Ako Bicol Cup Masbate Championship Game 1. Next is the battle between Team Placer versus Team San Fernando. Let's first off the Team San Fernando. Running jersey number 15, Joma Puhol. Running jersey number 15, Dassel Aspe. Running jersey number 20, Marshall Puhol. Running jersey number 21, Japan Bauzo. And running jersey number 23, Pablo Olores. And for the first time, for Team Placer, running jersey number 4, Melvin Rohan. Running jersey number 8, Royal Puma. Running jersey number 12, Tizan Rosa. Running jersey number 16, Steve Castro. And running jersey number 14, Kevin Rillo. And with the Bishop's place smoking, Gucci, Edgar Peron, Upper One, Harry Macula, Upper Two, CJ Sanchez. This is the Ako Bicol Cup Masbate Championship Game.
And yes, finally the long wait is over. Nandito na tayo sa ating Game 1 ng Best of 3 Championship Series between the mighty Placer against going up this pesky San Fernando squad. Magandang gabi sa iyo, partner.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, Wani Jan Patsunger. At ayan, unang nakabuslo ang mga taga-Placer.
Yes, that first shot was made courtesy of this high-scoring guard na si Steve Castro and si Dassel Aspe with the fake. Kicks it out to Carlo Montales for 3. Kaboom!
What a start for Carlo Montales.
Yes, tama ka dyan. A good start and a good shot para dito kay Carlo Montales. And partner, base sa aking pananaliksik, Carlo Montales is a veteran of so many leagues dito. Pero si Giselle Darosa answering back with the corner 3 galing dito sa MVP ng Sesafi.
So magandang sign ito dito sa ating game 1 ng ating championship series dahil palitan kaagad ng mga gandang puntos ang bawat kupunan.
Ayan na si Marjon Puhol, misses na 3-point shot but recovers the shot. Puhol, binigay sa kanyang kapatid, overshoots the mark.
Medyo malakas yung tira na yon itong si Jomar Puhol. Pero napakaganda yung pasa ng kanyang kuya na si Marjo.
Yes, partner, if you notice on the side of Placer, during the start of the tournament, talagang nagulat itong mga players dito na napakalaki nitong Placer squad. But dito, partner, halos even or pareho ang kanilang tindig when it comes dito sa San Fernando.
Oo nga yun din ang nahalata ko na pagdating pala sa actual game dahil unang pagtatapat ito ng dalawang kupunan na ito itong ating mga championship team dito sa unang pagkakataon sila ay nagkatapatan. Kaya yon, nakita nga natin na halos magkaparehas lang when it comes to size and everything.
Yan na si Mang Ubat, specialty in the house para dito kay Froilan Magubat with that booming triple galing sa gitna. And Dassel Aspe wants to answer back using...
Oh, what a shot by Dassel Aspe! The bank is open kahit anong oras na. Mag-aalas 8 na.
Yes, yan si Mangubat. Drops it up to dito kay Melvin Botoan. Ginugulo ng tatlong blue shirts. Finally, nakuha ni Froilan.
And Dassel Aspe will set this one up.
Yan na si Aspe. No look pass kay Carlo Montales.
What
sa
a
ilalim.
place!
And what a pass and what a shot para dito kay Carlo Montales. He has 5 points in the ball game.
Tama. So ang ganda ng start natin dito. Wala pang 2 minuto pa ang nakukonsumo natin pero mataas na po yung scoring natin, 8-all.
Ayan na si Brillo, top of the key against kay Puhol. Short jumper, misses the shot. Bauson skying high with the board. Ayan na si Aspe, crosses the half-court line against 2 defenders, attacking. What a no-look pass dito kay Puhol sa ilalim. Pero sapa lang inabot dito kay Melvin Butohan.
Ayan, mararamdaman na dito ni Jomar yung konting height advantage. Konti lang naman. Lalo pat nakatapat niya doon itong si Butohan.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Jomar Puhol usually making that shot. But yun na nga, dahil sa towering presence nitong Placer, talaga nahirapan siya on that sequence.
Tama.
Yan na si Aspe, mano-imano against Mangubat. Gives the ball to Puhol for 3. Overshoots the mark na rebound ni Brillo.
Dalawa na ang binitawan nitong si Marjo Puhol mula sa 3 pero hindi kumonekta.
And what a bad pass dito kali kay Castro. Ayan na si Aspe, nagmamadali, bounce it off to Montales. Against 3 defenders, nahuli ni Brillo ang bola.
Maganda yung pasa ni Aspe kaya lang medyo naalanganin doon si Montales sa ilalim.
Ayan na si Puhol, binigay dito kay Aspe with a scoop shot. Finally, first 2 points of the ball game of Dazzle Paul Aspe.
And nice pass on the part of Marjo Puhol.
Yes, Marjo Puhol.
Actually, partner, that's his 5th shot, 5th point ni Dazzle Paul Aspe after hitting that banking 3.
Yes, yan na si Steve Castro, wants to attack. Fakes, binigay kay Brillo. What a pass, partner, dito. If you notice, partner, dyan na pumapasok yung familiarization o yung gelling ng team nitong Placer, partner.
Okay, at sino kaya ang mas may gelling? Itong kupunan ba nga ba ng Placer o itong may San Fernando ay may ibubuga din?
Ayan na si Dazzle, shooting the 3, heat check for him, pero mintis yan. Ayan na si Butohan, crosses over, binigay dito kay Mangubat for 3. Kaboom! Back-to-back hits on the part of Froilan Mangubat.
Perfect mula sa 3-point country.
And
itong si Mangubat.
He has now 6 points in the ball game. And si Carlo Montales with the fake, attacking the baseline with the layup. Mintis sa kanyang tira, Tarosa with the board. And si Castro, Brillo. Castro sizing is the defense and scoring using the glass.
Look at that. Castro is really showing us na he is very composed pagdating sa mga ganitong crucial games or mahigpit na laban.
And ginantihan kaagad nitong San Fernando with those unselfish plays galing dito kay Aspe papunta dito kay Bauson.
That's his first bucket.
Ayan na si Butohan, misses the shot. Rebound. Nakuha ni number 20 na si Marjon Puhol.
So nakakalamang dito ng 3 puntos sa mga taga-Placer, 15-12 at 5-18 sa ating first quarter.
Ayan na si Carlo Montales, gives the ball to Puhol for 3. No good,
Still
Bauson.
missing.
Bauson again with the easy 2.
Look how strong this Jonel Bauson pagdating sa ilalim, getting those offensive rebound. Walang nagba-box out doon para sa kanya.
Ayan na si Castro. Mangubat again, in and out pagdating sa 3-point shot. Nakuha ni Puhol ang bola, gives the ball to Dazzle.
That's his first miss. Talking about Froilan Mangubat.
Dazzle Aspe. Drop pass dito kay Bauson.
Talagang ngayon pa lang at the early goings ay busog na itong si Bauson mula dito kay Aspe.
Yes, yun yung sinasabi ko during the pregame partner. This Dazzle Paul Aspe is the glue that holds San Fernando together, partner. If he's producing numbers, for sure mananalo itong San Fernando. And not just numbers, partner. Kumbaga, yung leadership and yung passing ability nitong point guard na ito ay talagang napakaganda pagsaside ng San Fernando.
Very exceptional. On the part naman ng Placer, Froilan Mangubat just hit another 3-point shot. That's his third.
Yan na si Bauson. Kicks it out to Carlo Montales for 3. No good. Bauson with the offensive rebound. And what a pass. What a shot. And end one para dito kay Bauson.
Good start para dito kay Jonel Bauson. Comparing it to his previous game na talagang medyo malamya yung mga starting niya. Pero dito sa ating game 1 ng ating championship series ay talagang malakas. Meron na siyang 8 puntos dito sa ating record.
And also, partner, if you notice, it's raining outside but dito sa loob ng ating gymnasium talaga it's raining trees. So talaga what more can you ask? Ito ang pasalubong ng ating Game 1 dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Masbate.
Tama, kaya kung nandiyan kayo sa bahay at malapit lang kayo dito sa Milagros Municipal Covered Court, tara na! Mayroong space pa dito para sa inyo.
Yan na si Brillo attacking pero may foul na nakita dito kay number 15 na si Jomar Puhol. And if you notice, partner, medyo inaatake nitong si Brillo, itong si Jomar Puhol on that sequence sa ibabaw. So yun na, nagmaterialize at nakakuha ng foul.
At eto meron tayong unang report, and this time it's from one of our panelists na si Mr. Jem Pleto. Jem, pasok!
Maraming salamat, Cap Morgan and Coach John. Coach Edsel Vallana is adamant about the game today and he's eager to get the advantage and take game 1. Sabi nga niya kanina during the pre-game interview, it's now or never and he wants to bring out the best in each of his players. He told his guys that they should stick to the game and stick to the system even though the pressure is on. Gusto niya ring limitahan ng point production ni Jonel Bauzon as he poses a threat inside the basket. Placer would most likely want to stay undefeated until they get that trophy. That is all for Team Placer. Balik sa inyo.
Yes, maraming salamat Sir Jem doon sa update, and yun ang report after that, umiscore tuloy itong si Jonel Bauzon sa ilalim, and yun ang partner, kailangan nila to stop this Bauzon sa ilalim dahil nga right now nananalasa itong center ng San Fernando.
Tama, and look at that! Talking about Jonel Bauzon hitting 2 after 2, at ayan, meron na siya ditong 12 point sa ating talaan.
And now the score is 18 to 22, lamang po ng 4 puntos itong San Fernando with 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Ayan na si Steve Castro attacking the basket pero nakakuha ng foul dito sa number 12 ng San Fernando na si Aaron Puhol, who's been a very steady contributor ito, partner. Itong si Aaron Puhol during the elimination round up to the semifinals, talagang maganda ang numbers na pinapakita nitong batang ito.
Tama, and on the side naman ng Placer, very unlikely na sila yung nalalamangan, lalo pat sa unang arangkada ng games. Kung ikukumpara sa mga previous games nila na kung saan wala nga kahit sino mag-challenge sa kanila ay talagang tinatalo nila. Pero dito sa unang quarter natin at 2:43 remaining, nalalamangan sila ng 6 na puntos nitong mga taga San Fernando.
And ayan na si Steve Castro. Makes the first free throw, partner. Kung isipin ng partner, napakaganda ng ating crowd ngayon, partner. Kanya-kanya sila dala ng kanilang mga props just to cheer their team. And right now, Steve Castro misses the second free throw. And right now, Dassel Polaspe crossing the half-court line. Crosses over. Bumping Mangubat. Kicks it out to Bauzon. 4-3. No good.
Sabi ko, pag pumasok yan, talagang iba.
Ayan na si Steve Castro.
Blocked!
Sapa lang inabot dito kay Puhol, but there si Butuhan. Pinabanda dito sa paa ni Bauzon.
That's a good defense on the part of Aaron Puhol.
Yes, partner.
And ewan ko kung anong magiging epekto nun dito kay Steve Castro.
And mga dyan, that's a good defensive stop para dito kay Aaron Puhol. Despite the size, partner, hinabol niya talaga itong tira ni Steve Castro. Ayan na si Tarosa. Shot clock is at 12. Castro for 3, misses the shot. Bauzon again, skying high with the board.
Gustong burahin ka agad ni Steve Castro, yung block na yon sa kanya.
Yan na si Aspe, binigay kay Puhol. Aspe, attacking. Aspe. Agaw. Ayan na si Steve Castro against Puhol. Steve Castro using the right hand to evade the defense. Dito si Puhol, partner. Hindi na siya naisa noong time ni Puhol.
Tama. This time, he made sure na talagang hindi siya mabablock itong trailing na si Aaron Puhol.
Ayan na si Manlapas. Commits a turnover. Ayun na nga, partner. Napakagandang pasa pero nabitawan lang ni Mumbai Manlapas itong sa ilalim.
You know what, partner? Both teams are very consistent when it comes to their offense. Kaya lang, ayan na, nakikita na natin na nagsa-start na yung mga lapses nila, yung mga errors, kagaya nung na-commit nito ng Manlapas para sa kanyang kupunan na sa San Fernando.
Ayan na si Brillo against Manlapas. Step back 3. No good. Rebound by Puhol. Ayan na si Aspe. Attacking Mangubat. Once a pick. Binigay dito ni Puhol. Binigay Carlo Montales with the fake. Shot clock is at 14. Bauzon against Brillo.
That's a bad pass. Wala dito kay Jonel Bauzon.
Ayan na si Steve Castro. Tinignan pa itong si Dassel Polaspe.
At ayan, maganda yung naging transition play na yon for Placer. And now they get the lead, 23-22.
And that calls for a ceasefire. Natawag itong San Fernando right now because yun na nga, nakabalik na sa Placer ang kalamangan with 23-22. What an exciting first quarter, partner. A very high scoring ball game as of now.
Oo, and maganda rin yung shooting percentage ng both teams. Pero hindi pa po yan tapos ha. Yung ating first quarter, mayroon pa po tayong 106 na natitira as we take a look at some of the highlights of this first frame. Ayan, makikita nyo ang last na bucket nitong si Steve Castro at yung mga magandang pasa nitong si Dassel Polaspe. dito sa kanyang recipient na si Jonel Bauson.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Dazzle, even though he is not scoring so much load pagdating dito sa side ng San Fernando, yun na nga yung distribution and yung leadership nitong si Dazzle Paul Aspe is very evident sa larong ito.
Talagang Dazzle Paul Aspe is highly regarded as an excellent, as a prolific court general.
Ayan na si Aspe against Mangubat, powering his way in. Enolo, pass dito kay Bauson sa ilalim.
And Bauson almost made that shot. Iba yung pinapakita dito ni Bauson. I tell you, partner, he's very focused sa mga tira niya. O yung nga lang, medyo nagmintes. Pero kung ikukumpara yung kanyang performance dito pa lang sa first quarter sa mga nagdaang laro niya, ibang-iba talaga.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Pero credit to that no-look pass, partner.
Yes.
Yun na nga iniisip ko, partner, paano nakikita ni Dazzle Paul Aspe ang mga ganong cutters during the game. So talagang kudos this Dazzle Paul Aspe for bringing the steady passer and the leader parating dito sa San Fernando.
Parang mayroong merong mata sa likod itong si Dazzle Paul Aspe. Anyway, namintes ni Jonel Bauson ang pangalawang tira mula sa free throw line.
And yes, right now, yan na si Tarosa. Gives the ball to Brillo at the post. Steve Castro attacking the baseline. And nakaapak sa linya. And a good defense, partner, na pinakita again ng San Fernando. Stopping those attacking guards itong San Fernando. Rather, Placer.
May bago tayong salta for San Fernando. We have Cyrus Puhol. Isa sa mga Puhol brothers.
Yes, a known shooter on the side of San Fernando. We know he can hit that shot. Yan si Dazzle against Castro. May pick na binigay si Manlapas. Aspe gives the ball to Puhol. Cyrus. Puhol attacks. Kicks it out to Bombay. Manlapas shot clock is at 7. Puhol for 3. No good, pero nakuha ni Puhol. But there is Motoan with the block.
At good defensive stop on the part of Melvin Botohan.
And we have 6.7 seconds remaining sa ating unang yugto. Ayan na si Steve Castro shooting the 3 from the parking lot. Airballs it. Bauson throwing the ball. Almost making that shot, partner. And that ends our high-scoring first quarter with the score
23 all.
23 all. And what more can you ask, partner? This is the game 1. 23 apiece.
Lako,
good size crowd.
First quarter pa lang, partner. Sulit na tayo.
Yun ang sinasabi ko. 23 all. Good size crowd. What more can you ask? This is Ako Bicol Cup basketball, partner.
Yes, and this is Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. Hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico, Kong Jill Bongalon at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa.
Yun, na-miss ko yung boses mo, partner. Yun na nga.
Yung mga linyang yun.
Maiba ko, partner, talagang what I ride para dito sa ating Masbate leg. And who would have thought na talagang makakaabot tayo dito. And right now, we are seeing some talents na mapoproduce itong Masbate. And of course, after this, yung pinakihintay nating inter-province. So talaga yung top 4 teams will represent Masbate para sa kauna-unahang elusive crown sa Ako Bicol Cup inter-province.
Itong dalawang kupunan na to, Placer and San Fernando, as well as Aroroy and Baleno, ay sigurado nang makakapasok doon sa ating regional tournament, yung ating Ako Bicol Cup inter-province. Ayan, at malapit na yon after this Masbate leg, siguro mga ilang weeks.
I guess weeks.
Mag-uumpisahan na natin yon. As I say hello, magandang gabi kay Mr. Michael Marchan. Ayan, sige, salamat pare ko sa panonood. Mr. Michael Marchan and family, good evening. And sige.
And also is watching yan si Puhol. Shoots the 3, misses the shot. And shout out sa Villanueva family. Kay Sir Leo and yung clan nila sa Baleno and of course sa Buraguis, Legazpi City. And yung Uncle P. Crispy Pata daw.
Siyempre hindi tayo uuwi na hindi natin yan matitikman.
Ayun naman, yan naman. Yan na si Eligado at the post. Look at the luxury of having a stock and a talented lineup partner. Si Jamir Eligado, kakapasok lang sa ating laro.
Ayan, ito yung sinasabi ni Coach Paul Sepe na squad substitution.
Yes, tama.
At ano yun? Ano yung termo dito, Coach Paul? Platoon substitution.
Yes, yun na nga. A platoon substitution.
For Placer.
Talagang 5 players is replaced. Ito si Racho, top of the key. Binigay dito kay Gallego. Corner. Itong si Mangubat. Mintis sa kanyang tira. Gallego. Short jumper. No good. Racho. Sapa lang inabot dito kay Junel Bauson.
Pero mukhang nakita ni referee Erwin Mapula na sumabit itong si Junel Bauson. Reason why tinatawagan siya ngayon ng foul.
And yun ang partner talagang si Racho, who's been very instrumental during the elimination round. A wide-bodied center / power forward who can hit that shot. So talaga yan nga, he hit its first free throws. Pero yung intangibles partner, look at the size partner, napakalaking center nitong Placer. Pero right now naman, si Junel Bauson means business and talagang maganda ang kanyang game 1.
Tama. Let's see kung magtutuloy-tuloy ang magandang performance itong si Junel Bauson dito na tayo ay nasa second quarter na.
Ayan na si Bauson, Aspe, this is a good matchup partner over Gallego. We know Gallego for a fact na is a good defensive stopper. Pero ito, si Makaalay, usually coming off the bench yung partner, contributing with that shot plus the foul.
What a confidence para dito kay Makaalay. Hindi siya masyadong nabibigyan ng oras to play, pero every time na ilalagay siya dyan sa court, very composed and ready to take those kind of shots.
Yan ang sinasabi ko, partner, as early now, nag-coach rin ako sa ating grassroots. Yun ang sinasabi ko, you must be ready anytime.
Tama.
Any given day. Alam mo naman yung minutes dapat in-earn yan. Hindi talaga kinukuha basta-basta. So, during practice, kailangan mo pagsipagan. And right now, siguro, itong si Makaalay, earning the minutes para dito sa kanyang coach.
In the meantime, that's Escalona hitting his first bucket mula sa 3-point country.
Yes, tama ka dyan si Escalona, talaga partner, who's been very steady. Yan si Dassel Paul Aspe wants to answer, pero si Puhol powering his way in. But yun na nga, Eligado is there to defend him. And Escalona, burning rubbers, nabitawan ng bola. Gives the ball to Gallego. Wants to attack. Short jumper, automatic para dito kay Gallego.
Same spot mula kanina, pero this time it's a different result and it's a very positive result for Gallego.
Yes, tama ka dyan. During our pregame, nakikita ko partner, itong si Gallego, very determined during the warm-ups talagang. Right now, ginamit siya lang maaga, so he produced numbers. Pero si Puhol, with the undergoal stab.
Good extra pass mula kay Makaalay.
And right now, yung bench player ng both teams talaga producing numbers para dito on their team. Yan na si Bughao, binigay dito kay Racho. Give and go play. What a move by Eligado. The spin and the shot.
Ayan, getting away with the defense with that spin. Napakagandang move mula kay Jamir Eligado. Ano pa bang aasahan natin sa big man na yan? Sabi ko nga, he's very mobile.
Yan na si Makaalay with the push shot. Bintis sa kanyang tira. Makaalay recovers the ball but misses his own shot. But there is Makaalay again. Quality minutes para sa batang ito, partner.
Getting his own miss, and you know what a hassle for this young man.
And yelled the signature Dassel Paul Aspe inbound.
What a smart play wala kay Dassel Paul Aspe.
Hindi
nagulat ang lahat doon.
Yes, hindi talaga kailangan tumalikod dito kay Dassel Paul Aspe because we know for the fact his IQ talaga is very high. Pero yan na, si Bughao attacking two defenders. What a move, partner, over the outside arms nitong si Bauson.
Nahirapan siya doon with those defense but he made it anyway.
Yes, yan na si Aspe against Gallego. No look pass, Makaalay, short stab, Mentes sa kanyang tira. Racho with the ball.
Hirap si Makaalay pag dating sa paint.
And si Escalona, what a eye in the sky play. Escalona dito kay Eligado with the 2 points.
Yes, good finish on the part of Jamir Eligado.
Ayan na si Racho. Gives the ball to Escalona. Outlets to Eligado. Eligado. And if you notice, partner, napatawag agad ng timeout itong San Fernando because iniba ng Placer ang kanilang tempo during the first quarter. Right now, itong si Gallego and si Escalona is running up and down the floor, locating their big man. And right now, talaga nakakascore itong mobile bigs ng Placer.
Maganda kasi sa mga bigs ng Placer is yun nga, very mobile, kaya nilang makipagsabayan in transition, and look at the effect. Right now, they are leading by 7 points or was that 9? I think it was 9. already. 39-30. Kaya yon, talagang napatawag ng timeout itong mga taga San Fernando dito dahil ayaw nila na tuloy-tuloy ito. Gusto nilang dito pa lang, ano na nila ng tubig. Kumbaga, ipa-fire extinguisher na kaagad nila.
Yes, yeah, tama ka dyan. Yun na, the key factor for Placer right now is these two speedsters with the name of Escalona and si Gallego, partner. And who's been pushing the tempo right now. And tingnan natin if ano ang adjustments na gagawin ng San Fernando right now. And si Puhol gives the ball to their court general na si Dassel Paul Aspe. Aspe attacks.
And no continuation there.
And yun na nga immediately, itong si Gallego acknowledges the foul dito. And right now, if you notice, Dassel Paul Aspe is attacking this Gallego right now. Yan na si Aspe, crosses over, attacks, scoop shot.
Foul number 7, John Peter Gallego. Second personal foul, third team foul.
And yun, itong si Gallego getting some instructions mula dito kay Coach Edsel Vallena after committing that foul.
And tama ka dyan, yun na nga. Ito si Aspe, yung batang mama, partner talaga. Despite his age, partner, he's a veteran of so many wars. Pero si Puhol, also a veteran, misses that elbow jumper. And si Escalona again, running, eligado, naagaw ni Carlo Montales.
At yun, magandang addition dito mula sa bench after mapagpahingaan itong si Carlo Montales. And right now, we have another report mula kay Jem Pleto. Jem, pasok!
Maraming salamat Cap Morgan and Coach Jan. Assistant Coach Harold Dozong's boys are willing to slug it out with Team Placer, and he told these guys to do what they always do and do it consistently. He also emphasized defensive pressure and he wants his players to hustle and grab the loose ball. Kinakailangan din raw nilang pigilan ang momentum ng Team Placer, especially their outside shooting, and apply double team defense on the opposing side bigs. Head coach Raymond Bahar's absence due to the weather will greatly affect their strategic gameplay, but this will not stop the team in getting that game won. Yan ang munang update from Team San Fernando. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat sa update na yan, Jem. At yung na nga, this San Fernando is more than willing. They are ready to slug it with Team Placer. At ayun, sige, titingnan natin kung tatagal nga pa sila dito sa undefeated team na ito na mula pa sa Distrito 3 ng ating torneo o ng Masbate Province. Itong mga taga-Placer na again, wala pa po silang mancha dito sa ating liga. Okay, and then again, dito sa ating Game 1 Championship Series, Best of 3 Championship Series, unang pagtatapatan or paghaharap nitong dalawang kupunan na ito.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Will Placer, whose video na nga, sabi mo, wala pang talo dito. Will force.
Will bow down.
Yes.
For the very first time.
Yes, or talagang itong San Fernando will be consistent dito sa ating laro. Pero we'll see. Lamang po ng 7 puntos itong Placer. 37-30 with 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining sa ating first half. And si Puhol, we know he can hit that. Misses that shot. Racho and Eligado with the board pero nakuha. Ayan na si Bughao against Aspe. Bumping Aspe. And what a defense, partner. And also Dassel Paul Aspe calling the shots. And tinuturo sa ating referee na traveling itong si Bughao.
Nice defensive job mula dito kay Dassel Paul Aspe. He's just standed his ground. At ayun, na-force na mag-traveling itong si Bughao.
And si Montales with a crossover. What a pass dito kay Puhol. Powering his way in using the glass. And again, scoring for 2.
And Jomar Puhol really needs to step up dito sa larong ito at mag-contribute when it comes to scoring para hindi lumobo ang kalamangan itong mga taga-Placer.
Ayan na si Bughao. Step back 3 against Puhol. This is the shot. Bauson again.
Look at that elevation ni Junel Bauson.
Ayan na si Aspe against 5 defenders. Scoring with that right-handed layup.
Good finish on the part of Aspe. Di na siya nag-hesitate doon na ipasa. Talagang he goes directly to the basket.
And a 4-0 run para dito. And si Gallego with the cut. Hindi nakita ni Racho. Bughao struggling to get the position. Binigay dito sa ilalim kay Eligado. Shot clock is at 6. Racho loses the ball against Puhol, attacking. And
maganda na sana yung pinapakitang depensa
Yes.
nitong mga taga San Fernando. Kaya lang
at the last second
the
of
last
the shot
second,
clock.
nag-commit ng foul itong si Jomar Puhol. Talagang nakakapanginayang, lalo pat ikaw ay isang San Fernando supporter.
Yes, tama ka dyan. A good defense sana pinakita. And yun na nga naunahan kasi nitong si Racho and that led itong si Jomar Puhol na tapikin or hampasin. And tamaan ang kamay. And right now, Racho is in the free throw line.
And one good thing about this Racho is that he's just a smooth shooter.
And,
kaya lang nabati natin, hindi pumasok ang unang tira. But we'll see. I know this guy can really hit.
Yes, tama ka dyan. He's a steady free throw shooter despite a big video na nga nabati natin. But si
Binati mo kasi.
Marjon Puhol.
Sinugundahan mo pa eh.
Marjon Puhol with that rebound. And Dassel Aspe against the much bigger na si Mangubat. Mano Imano, may pick ni bigay kay Puhol. Attack. What a dipsy do para dito kay Dassel but misses the shot. Eligado. But there is Marjon Puhol. Ayan na si Aspe attacking the paint.
What a shot by Dassel Aspe.
The hoop and the harm para dito kay Dassel Aspe. And right now, he has a chance to complete a 3-point play.
Getting that continuation, talagang wala. Is doing it all dito para sa San Fernando. Knowing that this is a very important game para sa kanilang kupunan. Sabi nga natin kanina, they've had a roller coaster ride papunta dito. And right now, Dassel Aspe gustong talagang paalabin pa ang init o apoy na inumpisahan nila.
Yan si Aspe completes his 3-point play. And right now, this is just a 1-point lead para dito on the side of Placer from a high of 7 points. Right now, we are tied at 37 apiece.
Tama, Mangubat.
Yan na si Mangubat, gives the ball. High-low play. Pero, sayang ang napakagandang high-low play sana. But there is Marjon Puhol. Tinampik ang bola. Pero ang possession mananatili pa din dito sa side ng Placer. And right now, we have a timeout sa side ng Placer to clarify and adjust things because nga, tabla na ang ating laro.
Tama. And madali. Actually, na nakabalik sa kanilang posture itong mga taga San Fernando after Placer led by 7 kanina. And right now, we are tied at 37. Hindi nakagalaw dito ang mga taga Placer. So, kailangan talaga nilang pag-usapan ang mga bagay-bagay. Dahil nga talagang hindi rin nila akalain na this San Fernando team will go toe-to-toe dito sa kanilang unang laban sa ating championship series.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yun na nga. Pero as early as first half partner, you see big-time players stepping up big time. Dahil nga, yun na nga, this is the game 1 and napakalaki ng tsansa if manalo ka sa game 1 partner usually.
Tama.
And konting trivia lang tayo partner. Ang simulang Albayleg, Sur, Cam Norte, Catanduanes, Sorsogon, and right now, nandito na tayo sa Masbate. Hindi pa tayo nagkakaroon ng Game 3 sa ating finals.
Tama. Kadalasan, halos sa lahat ng leg natin,
natapos tayo ng Game 2.
Yung unang nananalo sa ating best of 3 series ay siya na yung umuwi ng ating championship trophy.
Maliban lang doon sa Albayleg dahil do or die game lang, isa lang.
Tama.
So, after that, talagang hindi tayo umabot ng Game 3. So, tingnan natin if Masbate will be the first ever na umabot sa Game 3 sa ating finals.
Sige, titingnan natin yan.
Ayan na si Aspe attacking against Mangubat. Misses the shot. Brillo with the board. Binigay dito kay Tarosa. 3 against 2. Mangubat stopping and popping for 3. Irons it. Rebound. Again, Mangubat misses that shot.
Medyo malakas pa rin.
Dassel with the board. Zigzagging against Tarosa. Loses the ball. Gives the ball to Puhol. Shot clock is at 18. Puhol. Elbow jumper. No good. Pero ang bola mapupunta dito sa side ng Placer. And partner, si Froilan Mangubat apologizing to his coach na nagbintis siya ng back-to-back. Yun ang unusual partner because this Froilan Mangubat is a steady 3-point shooter.
Pero maganda rin yung guts niya and yun.
Look at Junel Bauson, partner. A 6'5", 6'6" guy who is running down up and down the floor. Talagang what more can you ask para dito sa guest player ng San Fernando.
Yeah, he can do those transition plays.
Ayan na si Brillo with the fake.
At napasabit niya doon, itong si Marjo Pohol.
Ayan yung naka-partner. Ito kasi si number 15 na si Jomar Pohol. Medyo nag-gamble dun sa steal at that led na naiwan na nitong si Brillo. Yun na nga nag-cause ng foul. Itong kanyang kapatid na si Marjon Pohol, partner.
Tama. He was, doing that help defense. Matapos na iwanan yung kanyang kapatid nitong si Brillo.
And Brillo makes us the first free throw. Yun na nga, having of a good luxury line na partner. Ito, linabas si Pohol, yung Pohol brothers, and pinasok dito ang number 12 na si Aaron Pohol and si Bombay Manlapas, who's halos pareho lang ng size. And talagang halos hindi nagpalit itong lineup ng San Fernando.
Oo, pero titingnan natin kung anong magiging epekto.
What a
itong
shot.
si Aaron.
Ayan na si Carlo Montales. Ayan na si Aaron Pohol with the spin, up and under. The spin, exit out. Carlo Montales, baseline jumper.
No
good. Jamer Iligado, skying high with the board. Brillo, waiting for his teammates. Gives the ball to Mangubat.
Tama yung ginawa ni Brillo dahil dalawang nakaabang sa kanila ng mga naka-blue.
Escalona with a pass dito kay Brillo.
What a finish for Kenneth Brillo. Using the glass.
Yan si Dassel Paul Aspe. Shooting the three. Airball set. Rebound nakuha ni Eligado. Eligado powering his way in and scores with that layup.
At ayan, tuloy-tuloy lang itong si Javier Eligado in that sequence.
Ayan na si Carlo Montales. High scoring guard. Gives the ball to Manlapas. Bauson at the middle. Spin with the fake. Up and under. Using the glass. Misses the shot. Eligado powering his way in with that rebound.
So nahinto yung scoring nitong si Jonel Bauson. Comparing it sa first quarter performance niya na umiscore siya ng 12 points. Dito sa second quarter, medyo hirap siya na makapuntos.
And right now, lamang na ulit ng 6 na puntos because of that play, partner. This number 24 guy na si John Carlos Escalona talaga, who's been very, very steady pagdating dito sa point guard shores. Itong Placer passing to those big man na open.
Yeah, masasabi natin he's equally good as Dassel Paul Aspe. May mga konting pagkakaiba lang pero itong si Escalona can really deliver for Team Placer.
Yes, and he is showing flashes of brilliance on the side of Placer right now. Yan na si Giselle Tarosa. Misses the second free throw. And right now the score is 46-39.
Balik sa 7 ang Kalamangan. Aaron Pohol missing on that one.
Ayan na, Bauson. Ayan na si Escalona with the ball. Burning rubbers, Escalona attacking, fishing a foul. And right now, ang kakapasok lang na si Ian Anabe commits a foul, who's been very instrumental din during the first half ng ating tournament. Who's been a good backup para dito kay Dassel Paul Aspe.
And even a good tandem for Dassel Paul Aspe dahil lalong-lalo na doon sa first round elimination, halos pinagsasabay sila sa court ng kanilang coach. And they have been very effective. Reason why nandito sila ngayon sa championship series natin.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Free throw made by Escalona. This is the shot, parang aking pinsan na si Paul and Peter, who's all the way from Dubai, who's watching our games, partner. Even sa Dubai, naaabot tayo. Ingat kayo dyan lagi, and thank you sa pagtanggilik sa aming liga. Ayan na si Anabe. Gives the ball to Puhol, shooting the three. Kaboom! A big man who can hit a three-point shot.
Tama.
That is Aaron Puhol, partner, for you.
Yes, indeed. And talking about mga nanonood sa abroad, meron tayong viewer mula sa UK. Ayan yung kaibigan ko, si Arnel Lorena. Meron nakitang foul itong si referee CJ Sanchez. At parang kino-contest yun ni Dassel Paul Aspe.
Medyo sinasabi niya na talagang naisahan doon ni Racho itong si Manlapas.
Manlapas, oo.
And right now, si Racho is in the free throw line. Shooting 2. Because right now, nasa penalty situation na itong San Fernando. And round out the score is 48-42. 48 seconds remaining sa ating first half.
So mostly sa mga puntos nitong si Mark Christopher Racho dito sa larong ito ay galing sa free throw line.
And yes, speaking of free throw line, partner, I would like to give a shoutout sa aking anak who nakashoot ng kanyang first free throw. Si Juan Carlos Sintoti during his last game. And also si Franco Miguel, thank you for watching. And Jan sa family ko all the way from Legazpi City. And right now, we are now in the 30 seconds ng ating first half. Manlabas gives the ball to Puhol. Aspe attacking, zigzagging, binigay kay Puhol for 3. Short on that rebound.
And short on that one, itong si Aaron Puhol after hitting one earlier. And again, I'd like to say hello kay Mr. Arnel Lobas Lorena na nandyan ngayon sa UK. Ayan, sige Arnel, 9.5, ha?
And also 11 din ako. And shoutout. And size 11 ako and shoutout sa aking kapatid all the way from Singapore. G, happy viewing. And also my relatives all the way from Legazpi and sa UAS. And syempre my brothers from Albay basketball community who's been a fan and a supporter ng ating liga since day 1 up to now. Hi sa inyong lahat dyan.
Maraming salamat. Alam mo, ba't kaya ganun, pagka abroad parang ang nakikita ka agad natin sapatos.
Matik yan. And right now, this is a very even match, 48-42. This is just a 6-point lead. And talagang napakaganda ang nagiging tema o tempo ng ating laro dito sa first half pa lang.
And this is a very manageable lead for San Fernando. Napatunayan nila yan kanina. And they just need to adjust some things dito para makabalik sa kanila yung kalamangan. But right now, it's Placeres basketball.
Ayan na si Escalona. Burning some clock. And shot clock is at 12. I guess he wants an isolation dito. Binigay dito kay Tarosa against Dassel Paul Racho. At the baseline, attacking Manlapas. Kicks it out and naputukan ng 24 seconds violation. And good defense. And a good defensive stop para dito sa San Fernando.
And bad offensive strategy yon for Froilan Manghubat's squad dahil inaabot sila ng 24-second shot clock violation na very unlikely na nangyayari sa kanilang kupunan.
Ayan na si Manghubat. Wants to beat the buzzer with the triple shot. Mentes ang kanyang tira.
That could have been a crazy ender for our second quarter.
And what more can you ask? It's raining outside. It is raining threes dito sa ating gymnasium. So partner, 48-42. We expect a wonderful match dito sa ating second half.
Alright, this is Ako Bicol Cup Masbate Best of 3 Championship Series. Atid po sa inyo ni Congressman Kong Saldico, Kong Jill Pongalon, siyempre. And Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. Diyan lamang po kayo. Magbabalik kami.
Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan, mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di sa muya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapaki-pakinabang.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilinguan habang kami nabubuhay.
Dakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun sa gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan, mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapaki-pakinabang.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Sa loob ng Milagros Municipal Covered Court. Dito pa rin sa napakagandang probinsya, the Rodeo Capital of the Philippines, Masbate. And balik dito sa ating best of 3 finals, Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. This is game 1, Placer against San Fernando. And eto, pasadahan muna natin, Wadi Jan, itong ating halftime team statistics.
Yes, partner, on the side of the bench points, partner, yun na nga, yung Placer with the platoon substitution, partner, scoring 18 points coming off the bench, and while itong San Fernando, only 6 points. And dito sa points in the paint, very equal with itong Placer scoring 24 points, and on the side of San Fernando, scoring 26 points. Because, partner, of the bruisers ng both teams talaga, they're crushing the board. So talagang kung nasaan ang bola, nandun ang mga bigs nitong both teams. And right now, sa turnovers, partner, halos even din. So napakaganda kaya na maging medyo high scoring tayo, partner, dahil limitado lang yung turnovers dito sa ating first half. And sa fast break points, partner, lamang po ng 4 na puntos itong Placer 19-15. And sa second chance points, partner, yun na nakalamang itong San Fernando 6 kontra sa 1.
So kung magtutuloy-tuloy itong ganitong record natin, ay aasa tayo ng isang gitgitan na laban dito sa ating Game 1 with these teams, San Fernando and Placer. And pasadahan naman natin yung mga scorers natin. For San Fernando, it's Dassel Paul Aspe who's leading the charge with 12 points at meron siyang 5 assists. Samantalang ito namang si Jonel Bauson, meron ng 15 puntos dito sa ating laro. And for Placer naman, it's Froilan Mangubat and Steve Castro with 9 points apiece.
So partner, tingnan natin come second half kung magtutuloy-tuloy itong magandang pinakitang performance ng Placer, or will San Fernando led by Dassel Paul Aspe will snatch this first ever Game 1 dito sa Ako Bicol Cup, Masbate.
At ito, as we take a look at the screen, si Mangubat and si Jamir Elegado. Ayan, itong si Mangubat nag-miss ng mga threes kanina sa ating second quarter. Pero dito kaya sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter, maibubuslo na niya in a higher percentage ang kanyang mga 3-pointers. At magtutuloy-tuloy na rin ba ang pananalasa nitong si Jamir Elegado causing the damage for this San Fernando squad?
Yes, this San Fernando squad. Usual numbers talaga as first half pa lang tayo. Talagang pinakita na kagad ni Dassel Paul Aspe na he's the leader of this team, and also si Jonel Bauson who's been a steady contributor para dito sa team nila. Ayan na si Brillo, attacking Puhol, one-on-one. That's an easy matchup for him, partner. Size-wise, strength, lamang siya dito.
Oo, and yes, good start for Brillo dito sa ating second half.
Ayan na si Dassel Paul Aspe, may pick na binigay si Puhol. Gives the ball to Alvarez. We know he can shoot that, misses that shot. Rebound, nakuha ni Puhol.
And muntik nang iluwa yung bola ng ring, pero good thing, pumasok pa rin. It dropped for Marjo Puhol.
Itong si Marjon Puhol, partner, reminds me of Dwight and Elmer Lago, partner. He's a strict shooter, but also a good defensive player when it comes to inside. Napaghahalata lang, partner, pero ayun, partner, speaking of, that's Rara Racela, Olsen Racela pass dito, papunta dito kay Melvin Butuhan.
Tama, that's a very nice pass mula dito kay Steve Castro.
Ayan na si Puhol, shooting the three, in and out, rebound ni Melvin Butuhan. Ayan na si Butuhan, binigay dito kay Brillo, muntik ng maagaw ni Aspe.
Pero may nakitang foul itong ating referee na si Edgar.
And
si referee Paraon.
Yes, a foul on number 19 na si Dassel Paul Aspe with a pushing foul. Nahuli siya doon. And right now, Steve Castro defended well by Dassel Paul Aspe. What a play, pero mintes ang kanyang tira. Shifting hands in midair, pero it's Bauson. Big man who can dribble the ball. Gives the ball to Aspe. Service the floor. What a pass dito. Puhol.
What a pass by Dassel Paul Aspe. Grabe talaga ang batang ito when it comes sa pag-dish ng mga ganong klaseng assist. Okay, right now we have Miss Carmela Hernandez with the head coach ng Team Placer na si Coach Edsel Valiana. Alright, pasok Carmela.
Thank you so much, Kapa Morgan and Coach John. With me is the head coach of Team Placer, Coach Edsel Valiana. Hello, Coach. Good evening po. Kamusta naman po kayo ngayon?
Okay naman po. Kaso malamig kasi.
So as you can see, Coach, your team, which is the Team Placer, is leading the game tonight. We just want to know, Coach, kung ano ba yung primary goal ninyo to maintain the lead and for you to handle the game well?
Unang-una, focus kami sa depensa kasi doon kami nalalamangan ngayon at saka sa offensive rebound. Second chance points, doon kami nalalamangan. So, inano ko lang yung mga bata na dapat mag-box out tayo.
Alright, Coach, and this is also your chance para magbigay ng mensahe sa mga players mo at sa mga sumusuportas po sa Team Placer. Go ahead.
Unang-una, malaking pasasalamat ko sa Panginoon dahil nakarating kami dito dahil sa Kanya. Kay Mayor namin, buong suporta niya, lahat binigay. Sa pamilya ko sa Cebu, sa asawa ko, kay Glendy Hope, sa anak ko. Yun lang. So mga hindi ko nabanggit, pasensya na, napamadali lang.
Thank you so much, Coach, and good luck po ngayong gabi. That's the latest update dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Coach John and Kapa Morgan.
Yes, maraming salamat, Miss Carmela. Halos hindi na magkarinigan, partner, because of the drums na dala ng both teams. And right now, after that miss shot ni Puhol, ito na yung Placer. Waiting for his teammates. This was Steve Castro. Gives the ball to Giselle Tarosa with the fake, attacking the baseline. What a move, partner. After that fake, attacks the baseline. Easy 2 for him.
And that's the 10-point lead by Placer dito sa ating laro. 56-46.
And this is the biggest lead of Placer right now. 10 points. Yan na si Aspe. Attacking against Magubat with the spin. Follow-away jumper. Pasok yan.
It's good. For Dazzle Paul Aspe. What a shot.
Yes, what a shot. What a hard-earned points para dito kay Dazzle Paul Aspe over the good defensive player na si Magubat.
Tama. Nice challenge on the part of Magubat pero better offense para kay Aspe.
And what a defense by Bohol. Standing his ground against dito si Brillo. Aspe, what a no-look pass dito kay Bauson.
Madaling nakabawi dito mga taga San Fernando ng 4 na puntos.
And right now, this is a 4-0 run na pinapakita ditong San Fernando. And look at the matchup partner, Brillo against Marjo Bohol. Brillo attacking.
Pero I guess this time, Marjo Bohol will be called for a foul. At yun na nga.
And I guess Marjo Bohol should lower his temper pagdating dito on guarding these big guys dahil he is doing a good job guarding. But yun na nga, his foul is preventing him because nga, he is now in the bench.
Yun ang problema pagka talagang nakakadepensa ka nga pero hirap ka nakadepensahan.
Era si Dazzle Paul Aspe. Look at the guard. Partner attacking 2 white shirts. Walang takot itong batang ito. And right now, same ball pa rin tayo, partner.
Let's see kung ano ang gagawin dito ni Dazzle Paul Aspe. Ayun, magandang pasa pa loob.
And a shot para dito. Ito si Jomar Pohol. I admire this player, partner. Because talagang nandyan lang sa ilalim, pakintayin tayo ng pasa. But it's very effective pagdating dito sa side ng San Fernando.
And now, Placer is just leading by 4 points, 56-52. Dito po sa ating third quarter.
And yes, right now Steve Castro gives the ball to Melvin Butuan against Brillo. Against Bohol. Million of fake. Mintes ang Adiri. Aspe coloring the board. He's in a rush. Aspe. No look. Pass to Bohol. And another pass and a selfish play para dito sa San Fernando.
And it's just a 2-point lead now, partner. Placer 56-54 ang mga taga San Fernando at 5:49.
Yes, run after run para dito ang pinapakita ng both teams, partner. So, that goes to show, partner, na evenly matched talaga itong 2 teams na ito. Ayan na si Aspe. Aspe with a no-look pass again kay Bauson. Gives the ball to Paul sa ilalim against 2 white shirts. Scoring.
For the tie, it's 56 all. I'd like to say hi kay Jake Borsige. Ayan, Jake, ano bang message mo? Okay, Jake,
yes,
salamat for watching. And JD Cortez Posas and Posas family sa Masbate City. Hello sa inyo.
And right now, we are tied at 56 apiece. Talagang napakagandang laban na meron tayong na-witness tonight. And syempre, nanonood ang aking mga constituents sa Kawit East, Washington Drive. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. And galing kay Kagawad Wadi John Bachiller.
Oy, malapit na.
Grabe ka naman. And right now, we've seen some familiar faces dito sa ating mga stands. Meron tayong mga VIVs right now. Nandito si Miss Russell Loretta, si Richard Ong, and of course, batiin ko ating commissioner, so Commissioner Lloyd Rivera right now, and si Boss Ino Rivera, who's been a very solid supporter sa ating liga since day one.
Alright, and I'd like to say hi also sa dalawa kong players na din, Alec and Kian Madronio, watching right now. And of course, my family, especially to my ex-girlfriend. Hello there.
And partner yun na nga, speaking of shoutout, si Boss Ino Rivera nagpapa-shoutout. Boss Ino, ayun na si Dazzle Paul Aspe. Burning Rubbers wants to attack. Drops it up to Bauson. Butterfingers pero nakuha niya ang bola. Ayun na si Bauson, defended by Melvin Butuan. Binigay dito kay Dazzle. Shot clock is a 13. Aspe with the crossover, with the Euro. But he was blocked by Melvin Butuan.
And it was just an out-of-bounds play. Walang foul na tinawag doon. Itong si referee Erwin Mapula. And Aspe is a prolific inbound passer.
Yes, tama ka dyan.
Kaya lang, nabati natin, tumama sa paa ang pasa.
And si Steve Castro, what a dish dito para kay running na si Eligado. Yun ang sinasabi natin, partner. This big guys of Placer can run also. Kaya kailangan matapatan din na San Fernando pagdating sa defensive side.
Maganda yung extra passes na ibinigay ng mga taga-Placer doon.
Ayan na si Bauson with a 3-point shot.
Hitting a 3! Itong si Bauson, ay nako,
Yes,
humanda na kayo.
Yes,
Dahil
yeah.
tumitira na mula sa labas ang big man ng San Fernando.
Yes, tuwang-tuwa si William Ong na nanonood dito sa kanyang bahay siguro. After the 3-point shot, Eligado, what a move, partner. Banging bodies with Puhol sa ilalim. With the spin, binigay dito, Tarosa, attacking 2 defenders, misses the shot. Rebound ni Dassel. Ayan na si Aspe, zigzagging his way. Aspe attacks. Sapa lang inabot dito.
Aaron Puhol is doing a good job defending this very mobile yet very bulky na si Jamir Eligado down low kanina.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Aaron Puhol is no pushover pagdating sa depensa because tingnan mo yung kaha-partner ng bata talaga. And I heard he play also for Diliman College or Arandia, I guess. Ayan na si Bauson, short jumper, Aspe with a no-look. And si Puhol, pinasa sa mukha ni Ratio. And ang bola mananatili dito sa side ng San Fernando.
Ayan, hello kay Radio Mike Mahinay. Hello, Coach.
Yes, ayan na si Alvarez, 4-3, misses that shot. Rebound, nakuha ni Tarosa.
Kailangang maipasok ni Alvarez ang kanyang mga tres dito.
Ayan na si Aspe. Banging. No good. Puhol with that shot. Saving the day for San Fernando. And don't look now, partner. The lead is now with San Fernando with 3 points.
61-58, 3:30 sa ating relo. Third quarter action. Game 1 ng ating best of 3 championship series.
Ayan si Mangubat attacking. And
we can see Aspe still down on the floor. I wonder
right
what
now,
happened.
Dassel Paul Aspe is in the floor right now.
Holding his head.
We hope he's okay.
We hope so.
And things are now getting physical dito sa ating third quarter because nga talagang this match is a very, very highly anticipated match. So talagang tingnan natin if what will be the adjustments being physical dito sa ating third quarter.
And this game is just starting to intensify, going to the next level. And as we can see, still Dassel Paul Aspe down on the floor, but I think he will be good. At least we can see that he's not mincing in pain right now. At ayan na po yung ating mga medics from the Fire Bureau. And looks like
and he is holding sa kanyang muka and is a bit shaky, partner, ngayon dahil nga siguro kung ano naging
sa mga bilis ng pangyayari, di natin napansin dahil tutok tayo doon sa may hawak ng bola. But anyway, San Fernando now again is leading by 3 points dito po sa ating Game 1 ng championship series natin. Ako Bicol Cup Masbate ay hatid po sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasunod pa. And of course, kasama dyan si Kong Jill Bongalon.
And also si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera and Nino Rivera. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. And right now, yun talaga things is heating right now. So, talagang makaabangan natin kung ano magiging susunod na kabanata sa ating third quarter.
Magandang gabi kay Sir Angelo Espinosilia. Maraming salamat, sir. Talagang miss ka namin at sana nandito ka at this very moment. Again, Sir Angelo Espinosilia, siyempre kasama natin yan sa panel natin and looking forward na makasama ka namin sa susunod na pinakaabangang Ako Bicol Cup Inter-Province.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And also may pa-shoutout si William Ong kay Benji Lobo Bernaldez, Rodeo Masbate Eagles Club President. Shoutout po sa inyo and happy viewing po. And syempre, yung mga tao sa aking bahay, I would like to greet my mom, Grace and Ray, and also my brother from Singapore, and so si Toti, si Tata, and si Ate Ami, Ate Minda, and also si Miss Nicole. Happy viewing po sa inyo. And right now, Our officials are right now
reviewing
the play na nangyari kanina with Dassel Paul Aspe, and also kanina doon na may initial call na tinawag ng sportsmanlike foul sa ating si CJ Sanchez.
Okay. And shout out kay Chris Pornete. Coach Chris Pornete, isa siya sa mga coaches ng Claveria team. Ngayon, nandiyan na sila sa bahay nila sa Daraga. So, Sir Chris Pornete and family, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And yun na nga, this game is going to be an interesting one for sure. Talagang this is the finals, partner.
Tama. This is the finals ng Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. At talagang intense ang laban. Napakaganda. And sabi nga ng iba, kaya pala ng San Fernando itong Placer. So yun, hanggang kailan magkikling itong San Fernando with this lead? Hanggang matapos ba itong ating Game 1? Well, wag niyo po kaming iiwanan. Tutukan nyo ang larong ito dahil anything can happen. Will this be the first upset para sa kupunan ng Placer? Well, the only way to find out is, siyempre, sabi ko nga, tumutok lang. At itong aking mga anak, again, kapit na kapit sa atin, Kien Madronio and Alec Madronio. Hello there.
Yes, hello sa inyong dalawa dyan. And of course, batiin ko aking kaibigan na si Sir Chaggy Arienda, who's been a fan ng ating liga and also supporter sa ating liga. Sir Chaggy and also si Seret Junior, si Homer Conda, Merto Rojas, Dennis Loria, Alvin, and si Mike Asado, si Odin Buen. Batiin ko na, partner.
Dami mong kaibigan?
Yes. Oo, marami tayong kaibigan, partner, talaga. And,
pwede ka na.
marami tayong kaibigan na talagang nagsusuporta sa ating liga. Yun ang partner talaga. Yun ang napakaganda doon. Since Albay leg talaga up to the last leg dito sa Masbate, talagang nandyan ang ating mga kaibigan to support this wonderful league na meron tayo na syempre bigay sa atin ng Ako Bicol Party List and also si Congressman Saldico, Congressman Jill, and Commissioner Lloyd Rivera. Talagang wala ka nang hihilingin pa, partner.
Very positive yung nagiging response, yung mga good words from our, not only spectators but those teams na sumali dito, even those who were eliminated. Talagang grabe, very grateful sila na nagkaroon daw ng ganitong klaseng kalaki ng liga dito sa Masbate. And sabi ko naman, this is just the first. Abangan nyo yung mga susunod, kaya be ready. Alright?
Yes, tama ka dyan. And right now, maraming nanonood sa ating live viewers, partner, na lalong-lalo na yung brothers from Albay Basketball Community na nanonood. Siyempre, ang napakagaling na player dyan sa Albay Basketball Community, partner, si Gustavo.
Gustavo?
Yes, Gustavo. Si Eric
kilala ko yan.
Yes, talagang napakagaling at siya ang franchise player ng Albay Basketball
Idol
Community.
Natin yan.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo, sir.
Oo. And, si Rodel Otto Onggotan, nanonood sa atin, partner.
Matik yan, si Kuya Rodel. And right now, masusing tinitingnan natin mga officials nga, partner, kung ano magiging resulta on that play. And
talagang grabe, masusi ang pag-review ng ating mga referees sa nakaraang mga sequence. Kaya eto, medyo naantala tayo ng konti. Meron na lamang po tayong 3 minutes and 18 seconds sa ating third quarter.
And right now, partner, talagang nag-aantay ang ating mga players and also the officials, talagang masusing tinitingnan. And partner, meron tayong sa ating partner, yung shoes, partner, na talagang almost nakakakita kayo ng mga pare-parehong sapatos, partner.
Tama, because
these are free shoes na binigay ni
shoes.
Congressman Saldico. Ako Bicol Party List, Kong Jill, and also the jerseys are free, so what more can you ask? Maglalaro ka na lang, partner. Talagang this league is one of a kind. Di ko alam if not we are the first dito sa Bicolandia to give sapatos and jerseys, I guess.
I think
yes.
Ako Bicol Cup is the first.
So talagang
na nagbigay ng mga libreng sapatos, libreng jersey, walang entry fee, lahat libre.
And of course, batiin natin ang ating mga kaibigan from
IMBC, of course, Infinity Media Broadcasting Company. Ito po yung nagko-cover nitong Ako Bicol Cup magmula pa sa
Napakagandang
Albay.
coverage, partner.
Napakagandang coverage. Talagang halos mayroon kang makikitang improvement sa bawat leg. So kudos sa pangunguna po ni Ma'am Ras Oreta. And of course, sa pangunguna din ng ating technical director na si Shiano Calleja. As we take...
Number 12 for Team San Fernando, out of the home. Foul. Fourth personal foul, fourth team foul. Unsportsmanlike foul number 12 for Team San Fernando, out of the home. Fifth personal foul, penalty. Excluded player, technical foul number 88 for Team Placer. Mark Christopher Lacho, fouls 3, second personal foul, second team foul. Warning for technical foul number 18 for Team San Fernando. Dazzle Velasquez for creating a foul. We will go back to the act shooting for number 8 for Team Luzon. Froilan Macuba.
So ang dami ng mga naitawag, ano?
Tama ka dyan, yan si Dazzle Velasquez who was called for faking a foul.
Oo. Ito. Pero I think tumama ng konti. Pero let's see.
Bakit? Yung impact kasi hindi gaano kalakas. So siguro dahil natawagan nga ng faking a foul itong si Dazzle Velasquez.
So hindi siguro papasok dun sa criteria para tawagan ng foul itong si Racho doon.
Ito naman ang that sequence, itong si Aaron Puhol committed a foul dito kay Mangubat, pero meron tayong unsportsmanlike foul because nga dun sa second motion na binitawan nitong si Aaron Puhol.
Tama. So let's just leave it to the officials. They know what they're doing and they've been doing this for a time, and sila yung mga masabi nating expert pagdating dito when it comes to officiating. Look at that.
And tama dyan, ang sportsmanlike foul ang tinawag dito kay Aaron Puhol, and right now he commits his 5th personal foul, kaya talagang malaking kawalan itong si Aaron Puhol dito sa side ng San Fernando. And si Jonel Bauson making his free throw, and right now I guess he is the leading scorer para dito sa side ng San Fernando.
Tama. Kanina sa first half meron siyang 15 points, and sa pagpasok dito sa pumukol siya ng pumukol eh.
Ito si Mangubat ay na-foul nga, makes his first free throw.
And second shot, itong si Froilan Magubat sa free throw line ay pasok. Meron pang isa. Bali 4 okay, bali 4 yung ititira niya.
And yes, partner, medyo because of that free throw parang itatabla nitong Placer ang ating laro. Yun na, 4 crucial free throws ang pinasok nito ni Froilan Mangubat. And right now, the score is tied at 62 apiece. So with 3 minutes and 18 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter, ayan na si Racho, top of the key. Binigay dito kay Escalona. Attacking Manlapas, Racho. Binigay kay Eligado at the post against Bauson with the spin. Kicks it out, Escalona, 4-3. No good, Tarosa. What a pass dito kay Racho with an easy 2.
Nice pass mula kay Tarosa. Not forcing that shot. Nakita niya na mas open si Racho sa ilalim.
And right now, lamang na ulit na 2 puntos itong Placer. Yan na si Bauson, top of the key, wants to attack. Binigay dito kay Puhol. Manlapas at the post, naagawan ni Eligado.
And there was a foul.
Yes, meron tayong baseline throw-in, partner, because hindi sa active shooting and wala pa sa penalty situation itong Placer. Ayan na si Aspe against Bauson. In and out dribble, shot clock is at 7. Binigay kay Manlapas at the post. Manlapas, bagging bodies with the spin, attacking, scores the basket, partner.
Nice move mula dito kay Manlapas.
And nice move, sabay tingin sa atin, partner, na i-recognize nyo naman at spin, and what a shot, partner. Pero era si Bauson, steals the ball. And San Fernando is running. Bauson skying high but misses the shot. And as Escalona.
Halos ihatid na lang ni Bauson sa ring ang bola pero umalog at lumabas.
Yan na si Mangubat against Carlo Montales. Mangubat gives the ball to Racho. May pick na binigay.
Tied ball game tayo, 64 all.
Yan na si Tarosa attacking.
At one man down dito. It's Jamir Legado, pero good gesture on the part of Dazzle Paul Aspe picking him up.
And Manlapas and Legado may konting lambingan dito sa ilalim. And for sure, kasi this Bombay Manlapas guy is a good defender and also can pour score dito sa ating laro.
Jamir Elegado, pangalawang tira mula sa free throw line.
Medyo naalog siya doon sa foul na binigay sa kanya ni Manlapas. And Elegado with the second free throw. And makes the second one. And yun, balik ulit sa isa ang kalamanan ng Placer with 65-64. 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Yan na si Aspe. Defended well by Mangubat. Aspe with the spin. Ginugulo, Montales. And yun na nga, nagwagi itong Placer with a good defensive stop. Ayan na si Escalona, stopping. Mangubat, binigay dito kay Tarosa. What a good give and go play, partner. And 4 players touches the basketball. That is how good Placer, pagdating dito, finding their open teammates.
At least on that sequence, talagang napakaganda ng execution ng play na yon.
Ayan na si attacking si Tarosa. Mendes ang kanyang tira. Montales, outlets to Bauson. Waits for his teammates. Binigay kay Dazzle. Attacking. Kicks it out to Bauson. Shot clock is at 9. Bauson attacks. Scores.
Nice move and kudos for being patient on that play.
A good patient play para dito kay Bauson. Leading to that easy shot para sa kanya.
Pero 67-66 lamang para.
Yan na si Elegado. Damaging San Fernando at the paint right now.
He's the muscle man for Placer team. And he's in effect dito sa larong ito.
Ayan na si Aspe. May pick na binigay si Manlapas. Ang Aspe attacks. Binabanda sa board.
That could have been a very nice play. A spectacular play from Dazzle Paul Aspe.
And meron tayong substitution. Pinasok itong number 6 na si Ian Vincent Alvarez replacing si Carlo Montales. Ayan na si Aspe. Naagaw ni Brillo. Ayan na si Manlapas. Hinahabol siya. A good tap para dito kay Bombay Manlapas and a good stop para dito sa San Fernando.
Tama, pero it will be Placer's basketball. We have 7.9 seconds. So tingnan natin kung anong gagawin dito ng mga taga-Placer para madagdagan pa ang kanilang puntos. 69-66 as we end our third quarter action.
Yes, the shot clock is off para dito sa Placer. 7.9 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Escalona inbounding. Once give the ball dito. Yan na si Brillo. Balik dito, Escalona, corner, pocket three, kaboom!
Pasok!
And what a way to end our third quarter with that movement triple galing dito sa court general ng Placer na si Escalona.
So it's a 6-point lead for Placer as we end our third quarter. So hold on to your seats mga kasarog. We have a ball game inside the Milagros Municipal Covered Court. This is Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. Game 1 of our best of 3 championship series. Again, hatid po sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasarog pa. Hello kay Amiel Alpajaro of Legazpi City. Amiel Alpajaro, pinapabati ka ni Jake Bosique.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And right now, partner, kita mo naman, partner. Halos yung iba kasi wala lang maupuan dito sa ating venue. Pero still, despite wala silang maupuan, they're here to cheer their team. And kahit nakatayo, nanonood sila, nag-enjoy ng ating game 1.
Hindi nila iniinda na naubusan sila ng seats dito. Dahil napakaganda ng aksyon, talagang hindi mo mararamdaman na mangangawit ang iyong mga paan dahil sa ikaw nakatayo, dahil sa sobrang ganda ng ating or ng ipinapakita ng both teams, San Fernando and Placer. And this is just Game 1, mga kasaro.
Yes, this is the Game 1 ng Best of 3 Championship Series. The first ever Ako Bicol Campus Bate. Siyempre, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List katabang na kasurumpa, and also si Congressman Jill Bongelon and Commissioner Ino Rivera and Lloyd Rivera rather, and Ino Rivera. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
And ayun, Dazzle Paul Aspe, nakikita na natin yung exhaustion sa kanya. Nagko-commit na siya ng mga mangilan-ngilan na mga mistakes dito. And hanggang ngayon, hindi pa siya pinapahingahan itong kanilang coach.
Era si Dazzle Paul Aspe. Manong-mano against Mangubat. Aspe bumping. Aspe attacks. His favorite shot misses.
And yung mga leading scorers natin for Placer, it's Jamil Eligado with 15 points and 25 points naman para kay Junel Bauson.
Yes, si Bauson leading the charge for San Fernando, partner. And also, the all-around brilliance nitong si Dazzle Paul Aspe. Kaya nakadikit sila during the first half. And right now, the lead is 9 points in the ball game. Eligado gives the ball to Mangubat. Mangubat attacking Montales. Kicks it out. Escalona shooting 3. No good.
He hit one from the corner kanina, pero nagminti siya dito.
Yan na si Eligado at the post.
Merong foul na nakita si referee Paraon against Jonel Bauson.
Kaya yun na nga sabi ni referee Paraon, talaga nakahawak daw dito sa kanyang bewang or jersey. Itong si Bauson.
I'd like to say hi sa classmate ko dati na si Marlon Andes. Ayan, Mr. Marlon Andes, happy viewing.
Yes, happy viewing po sa inyo. And right now, Bughaw and Puhol.
Nagkikiskisan, partner. Sobrang depensahan.
Yan na si Brillo against two defenders. Binigay kay Eligado. Exit out. Mangubat. 4-3. No good. Bauson and Brillo battling it out. Yan na si Aspe. Zigzagging his way. Attacking. Sapa lang inabot dito. But Montales is there. Pero mintis pa rin ang kanyang tira.
Pero good hustle on the part of Dazzle Paul Aspe. Keeping it alive.
Ayan na si Puhol. Talagang not giving up on that play. And naagaw ang bola, and right now is in the free throw line because of his hustle.
I would like to commend yung hustle nitong si Dazzle Paul Aspe. After those missed shots, and andun pa rin siya standing his ground, tipping the ball off to his teammate na itong si Jomar Puhol, who's on the free throw line right now.
Ayan talaga si Jomar Puhol right now. He is not distracted with the drums na dala nitong Team Placer. And very effective talaga itong power forward ng San Fernando na si Jomar Puhol. Ayan na Puhol. Makes 2 out of 2 para sa free throw. And we have a 7-point lead on the side of Placer. Ayan na si Escalona. Binigay dito kay Brillo. Top of the key. Eligado once hit the ball at the post. Meron sanang backcut pero hindi nakita. Yan na si Eligado. Binigay kay Escalona. Shot clock is at 11. Escalona kicks it out to Mangubat. Binigay kay Eligado. Bughaw with the fake. Up and under. Turnover on the side of Placer.
Maganda sana yung pasahan ng Placer doon. Kaya lang kinapos si Bughaw.
Ayan na si Aspe. Binigay dito kay Puhol. Outlet to his brother. Marjon Puhol attacking. Using the glass. Misses the shot. He wants a foul pero hindi natawagan. Yan na si Escalona, stopping, popping, shooting through. And Bauson with a zigzagging move, pero final siya doon ni Brillo.
And dun sa last play din, nitong si Marjo Puhol, nag-concentrate siya o nag-focus siya doon sa posibleng foul na itatawag. Kaya hindi niya masyadong nabigyan ng focus yung kanyang tira. Nakalusot na siya, sayang yun.
And right now, meron tayong magic bunot. Break Nicolas on the side of San Fernando. Si coach ng San Fernando is looking for magic bunot right now because he needs scoring aside from Bauson, who's been hitting his shots lately. And si Dazzle Paul Aspe medyo struggling right now because of this is Aspe stopper na si Mangubat.
Tama. And the exhaustion dahil hindi pa siya pinapalitan po dito sa larong ito.
Yes, tama dyan, partner. And right now, the score is 77-69. And as Escalona crossing the half-court line, may double high pick na binibigay para sa kanya. Shot clock is at 13. Escalona. Binigay kay Eligado. Dumps it up to Brillo. No good. Bughaw with the top. Pero yun na nga.
Meron na namang foul against the men in blue.
Nahuli doon si Dassel Paul Aspe.
Oh, it's Dassel Paul Aspe committing that foul. Maganda yung mga inside passes na ipinapakita dito ng mga taga-Placer. Kaya na-force yung mga taga San Fernando with those kind of fouls. And right now, as we can see, talagang maigting ang dikita ng katawan itong si Marjo Pohol at ni Bughaw dito sa inbound play na to. They need to be careful though.
Ayan na si Escalona. Gives the ball to Brillo. Shot clock is at 13. Brillo wants to attack. Using the left hand, misses the shot. Aspe with the board. Against Eligado. Gives the ball to Brett Nicolas. No good. Sayang ng partner.
Sayang talaga. Pinaghirapan nyo ni Aspe.
Ayan na si Escalona for 3!
And there goes Mr. Excellent. Throwing another 3 for Team Placer.
And don't look now. This is just this is a 10-point lead on the side of Placer. And look at the fans cheering. Much to the delight of the fans here ng Placer. Talagang may dala pa silang drums to cheer the team. So yung sixth man nitong Placer right now is working for them.
Tama. They are in a good mood in celebration because of the 10-point lead na nakikita nila sa scoreboard, 80-70. Fourth and final quarter po ng ating Game 1 of the Best of 3 Championship Series ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. Kasama niyo po kami, Kapa Morgan and Wadi Jan Batselier
at your service. Yes, yan na si Jomar Pohol inbounding the ball. And tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging adjustments in San Fernando after that timeout. And right now again, Aspe is being hounded by itong si Mangubat. Aspe for 3, in and out, rebound, nakuha ni Escalona.
That could have been a big shot for Aspe.
Yan na si Escalona. Mangubat, corner, pocket 3. Challenge by Aspe, mintis ang kanyang tira.
Merong foul, nakita si CJ Sanchez. By the way, partner, napakaganda ng ating sounds and lights. Dahil yan kay Sir James Romano at ang kanyang Audio Evolution Pro Lights and Sound.
Ay, oo, Sir James kaya yan.
Oo.
Sir James yan, papamakdo nga mamaya yan.
Hindi tayo narinig. Yung Audio Evolution Pro Lights and Sound, sabi namin, ang ganda.
Oo, papa-dinner yan after the game para sa atin. And right now, yun na si Eligado, hounded by 2 blue shirts. Binigay dito, Steve Castro with the fly-by move, shooting the 3.
And missing.
Bauson again.
What an elevation for Bauson there. At yun, tama. I think that's an obvious foul to the rushing Dassel Paul Aspe.
And that is a good foul, partner, on the side of Brillo that prevented a fast break para dito sa San Fernando.
Tama.
Ayan na si Marjo Pohol shooting the 3.
And now he connects mula sa corner.
Specialty in the house para dito kay Marjon Pohol. Yun ang partner. This guy is a no joke pagdating dito. He can score and shoot the lights out, partner. And right now, he shoots the 3-point shot.
Kailangan na kailangan niya ng kanyang team. He's been struggling magmula pa kaninang first quarter.
Yan ang Escalona, guarded by Aspe. Castro, binigay kay Brillo. Brillo with a side-stepping move. Mintis. Yan ang si Bauson.
That ball was tripped from downtown or from the down low. Kaya lang, nabitawan ng mga taga San Fernando ang possession na yon.
Medyo a bit out of control itong si Bauson. Kanina because nagmadali siya dahil nga yun na nga that led for a turnover para dito sa San Fernando.
7 puntos po ang lamang ng mga taga-Placer. 80-70 at 6:25.
And right now si Escalona. May high post dito, binigay kay Eligado. Nandun si Montales with the steal. Carlo Montales wants to attack Eligado, but sapa lang inabot niya. And ang bola mananatili dito sa side ng San Fernando.
Sabi ng ating mga referees, it's going to be San Fernando's ball.
Pero
I think they're going to challenge this call.
Pero kudos to this Carlo Montales challenging Eligado. Parang aking kaibigan kung lumipat sa layup na si Dennis Loria.
Ay, grabe.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, sir. And salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta.
So, again, we would like to say hi also to Sir William. Ayan, binababati po si Sir Benji Lobos Bernaldez of the Rodeo Masbate Eagles Club. He's the president. Ayan, Benji Lobos Bernaldez. Maraming salamat po, sir, for always watching and sa suporta.
And also, syempre, batiin ko din ang ating mga kasama. Nandito si Coach Paul Sepe sa gilid at si Jem nandito sa... And ating mababait at masisipag na strikers na nandito dahil nga medyo maulan sa labas. May konting lang tayo tulo dito sa ating gymnasium. So talagang andyan sila para mapanatili yung kalinisan at safetyness ng mga players dito.
Tama.
Sa ating laro.
It's been raining the whole day and up till now. Pero good thing at hindi na natin na-experience what we've experienced the other time na yung sa final day ng ating semis kung saan may tumulo po dito dito sa Milagros Municipal Covered Court kaya naantala yung laro natin. But right now, ayos po yan. So maraming salamat po sa mga taong involved. Yun ang slow-mo ng last play.
Yan na si Brillo with the board. Binigay dito sa Escalona who's been waxing hot dito sa ating fourth quarter.
After that 3-point shot missed by Marjo Bohol.
Yan na si Brillo. Eligado at the post pero hindi nabigyan. Steve Castro again at the post. Eligado spins. Mentes ang kanyang tira.
Good defense on the part of Jomar Bohol.
Yan na si Bohol. Yan na si Aspe. Posting up Escalona. Gives the ball to Marjon Bohol. Attacking. Floats, flies, glides, and scores for two. Muntik na maagaw ni Carlo Montales ang bola dito sa side ng Placer. And right now, this is just a 5-point lead with 5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining sa ating huling yugto. Ayan na. Brillo against Bauson. Hands it off to Steve Castro. Wants to shoot the 3. Castro attacks. Kicks it out. Escalona for 3.
Mintes.
Yan na si Aspe, attacking, gives the ball to Bauson. What a no-look pass, partner.
And Bauson gets fouled. Nice pass once again from Dassel Paul Aspe.
And partner, kung nakita mo yung gesture nitong si Paul, partner, pwede na siyang pasahan, but nagsorry sa kanya si Aspe. Immediately recognizes na okay lang yung partner dahil nga binigay dito sa big man na si Bauson.
At nakasungkit siya ng foul.
Yan na si Montales sa ilalim.
Nice spin move!
And Carlo Montales showing Steve Castro na he can score also in this tournament.
May galaw kang ganon, mayroon din ako!
Yan na si Eligado, top of the key. Binigay dito kay Tarosa, who's been silent. Brillo sa ilalim, misses that shot, and nahuli. Nahuli ata partner na itinulak. And the bench of San Fernando is signaling for a review, pero tingnan natin kung anong magiging hatol.
Pero yun, tinawagan na ng foul.
Ito, yun na nga. And may foul na tinawag dito kay Dassel Paul Aspe. His fourth personal foul. This is a bad sign on the part of
San Fernando.
San Fernando. And at this and Dassel Paul Aspe committing his 4th personal foul. Yan na si Puhol.
And Brillo splits that one. Nakuha na sana yung rebound itong si Jomar, kaya lang he was hounded by, I think that was Giselle Tarosa. Kaya nabitawan itong si Jomar ang bola.
And right now si Tarosa, one of the missing piece para dito sa side ng Placer. Limited ang kanyang scoring right now. But we know for a fact that he is an MVP. So tingnan natin if he will deliver dito sa mga crucial minutes ng ating laro. What a give and go play. Mentes Bauson misses the shot. Sapa lang inabot dito.
Agawa ng bola on the floor. At ayun.
And look at Marjon Puhol.
Halos magwala doon si Marjo Puhol just to get the possession. Grabe yung sequence na yun, partner.
Walang gustong magpatalo dito sa ating Game 1, partner.
Magandang sign yan, partner. Dahil hanggang sa matapos ang laro ito, excitement ang ibibigay sa atin.
Yan sinasabi ko sa iyo, partner. Si Marjon Puhol would be a vital piece para dito sa side ng San Fernando.
Yun nga lang, namimiss natin yung mga 3-point shots niya. Although nakakapag-attempt naman siya, kaya lang kung di ako nagkakamali, isa pa lang ang naiko-connect niya from downtown.
Despite undersized pagdating sa big man compared dito sa Placer, talagang he is battling this big boys of Placer.
Sabi ko nga, itong Puhol Brothers ay mayroong hindi patitibag attitude.
Yes, tama ka dyan. All heart para dito sa Puhol Brothers on the side of San Fernando.
At nakikita natin yung magandang epekto niyan para dito sa mga taga San Fernando.
Yan na si Tarosa. Eligado at the post, banging bodies against Puhol. Grabe, partner.
Grabe, talagang diniinan na itong si Eligado, itong si Jomar Puhol on that play.
Ayan na si Montales. What a pass, what a cut and a shot para dito kay Carlo Montales.
Talagang mapapa-woo ka na lang sa mga ganong plays, partner.
Napapaos ako dun sa mga basa na binibitawan ni Dassel Paul Aspe. And a good finish and 4 points para dito sa ating 4th quarter para kay Carlo Montales. Ayan na si Tarosa, free throw jumper.
Still struggling when it comes to scoring, ito si Tarosa.
Ayan na si Aspe, crosses over, Aspe attacks. Taking the shot.
And scores! The Russell Dassel is in effect right now. It's just a 2-point lead now, partner. Hold on to your seats, mga kasurog.
At yun na, partner, Escalona. And that is a bad foul para dito kay Jomar Puhol, partner, dahil maganda na ang pinapakitang depensa. But he committed a foul dito sa ilalim.
Ayan. They need to, be careful and not to commit mistakes dito for them para tumagal dito sa hype, talagang heavy team na Placer. We're talking about itong San Fernando.
Yeah, pressure back free throws para dito kay Escalona. John Carl.
Parang hindi tumatalab sa kanya yung pressure dito sa free throw na to para dito kay Escalona.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And 2 for 2 on the steady point guard ng Placer.
At balik sa apat ng Kalamangan, 85-81, 3 minutes and 16 seconds.
Ayan na si Aspe, may pick na binigay si Montales. Aspe attacking. Aspe, mano-imano.
What another good pass, sana yun?
Gulat ako ng partner, akala ko isasalpak.
Oo. Iba talaga ang pinapakita dito ni Aspe magmula pa sa ating quarterfinals. And Aspe making the first free throw here at 3:09. This is a close game, championship game.
Yes, what a way to open a championship series, partner.
Tama.
Mga mano-imano talagang this game will go down the wire for sure. Ayan na si Mangubat, who's being the point guard right now.
So finally nakakuha ng katapat dito ang mga taga-Placer.
Ayan na si Brillo at the post against Puhol.
Getting into their nerves itong kupunan ng San Fernando. And I guess that's an offensive foul. It is an offensive foul.
And yun na nga, partner. Marjo Bohol is pointing to his head. Yan ang sinasabi ko, partner. He's a vital role. His role dito sa San Fernando talaga right now is to be a steady contributor sa kanyang team.
Tama. And talagang nagbibigay buhay din sa kanyang kupunan.
Era si Aspe. This could tie or even make a lead para sa San Fernando. Aspe, binigay kay Pohon for 3. Yes! What a 3-point shot na binitawan dito ni Marjon Pohol.
We know he can hit those kind of shots.
The lead shifts back dito sa San Fernando. 2 minutes, 25 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Era si Tarosa wants to attack with that layup.
And he gets fouled. What a shot na binitawan itong si Marjo Pohol earlier. Taking the lead back for San Fernando, 86-85 at 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Now it's Tarosa. Masusubukan dito sa free throw line at this very crucial state.
And right now, partner,
states of the ball game.
Tarosa is the missing piece on the side. On the side of Placer right now.
So good foul pala yun para sa San Fernando. Second try for Tarosa. Mintes pa rin.
And two crucial missed free throw ang binitawan nito ni Tarosa. He has 8 points pa lang sa ating laro. Ayan na si Dasselpol against Manguban. Aspe attacks. No good. Rebound nakuha ni Pohol. Aspe is open again. Attacking. Sapa lang inabot dito kay Giselle Tarosa.
But good try. Good aggressive try for Dasselpol Aspe.
And we are now in the 1 minute and 57 mark ng ating huling yugto.
Under 2 minutes to go and still it's San Fernando's basketball.
And Dasselpol Aspe inbounding the ball. Ayan na si Montales. Hands it off.
That's a mistake made by...
Yes, that's a Aspe. Once I called kanina, that's very unusual dito sa batang ito dahil that is a crucial turnover on the side of San Fernando. They are just leading by 1 point, so talagang napakasayang na nangyaring turnover kanina. Ayan na si Brillo, defended by Pohol. Kicks it out, Tarosa, Escalona, shooting 3. Misses the shot. Aspe tapping the ball.
And ayan, it went out of bounds. Referee Paraon says, tumama sa paan itong si Brillo. It will be San Fernando's basketball.
And with 1 minute and 37 seconds remaining, the score is 86-85.
So talagang nabigyan ng katapat dito ang mga taga-Placer sa koponan ng San Fernando and our final series.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Tuwa-tuwa ang mga fans natin dito sa loob ng ating gymnasium and also yung mga fans na nanonood sa ating mga Facebook Live. And batiin ko ang aking mga kaibigan sa Ibalong Magayon, Aqua Gliders Swim Club, headed by Coach Weng Arnaldo. And maraming salamat sa suporta at sa panonood sa ating liga. And of course, halos sa labas, partner, may mga nanonood pa doon dahil nga halos hindi na makapasok dito sa ating venue.
Meron naman tayong LED track. Kaya talagang kahit nasa labas kayo, conveniently mapapanood nyo ang ating live coverage. Again, this is being brought to you by IMBC when it comes to live coverages. Infinity Media Broadcasting Company ang may bigay po sa inyo. And as of now, we have a 5K something viewers sa ating isa lang sa mga Facebook pages natin, sa Rep Saldico Facebook page. Meron tayong 5.1K viewers, live viewers. So talagang grabe ang appreciation ng ating mga viewers, not only Masbateños but the whole Bicolandia is watching right now ng napakaganda nating dikdikang laban dito sa ating Game 1 ng ating Best of 3 Championship Series between San Fernando and the undefeated team Placer. Makakatikim kaya sila ng ulang pagkatalo dito.
And right now, meron tayong clarification, tinitingnan dito sa ating instant replay system ng ating mga officials kung kaninong possession ang mapupunta. And right now, partner, the score is 85-86 para sa ating mga late tuners, partner. We have a CISO battle comes sa ating first half. And
we're going down the wire. Hello kay Cornal Almoguera Brian who's watching right now from Los Angeles. Aba, maraming salamat po. Yung mga kasurog natin na nanonood abroad, especially sa iyo, Brian Cornal.
And also, would like to greet my players from 12 under ng Kawit East Washington Drive. Magandang gabi sa inyo and salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta. And congratulations sa win kanina.
Alright.
So take a look, yun na nga sa screens natin. Tumama sa kamay nitong si Brillo. Kaya ang bola lang punta dito sa San Fernando. And we are back. Aspe milking sa clock. And Mangubat, his stopper, is very determined to guard him. Aspe with a crossover. Attacking. Using the glass, misses the shot. And Aspe saves the ball. Bauson shooting the three. No good. Brillo.
Skying high for that rebound is Brillo. And it's going to be Placer's basketball at 1.14. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin dito ng Placer now that nalalamangan sila ng isang punto nitong mga taga San Fernando.
Tama ka dyan. And
so ito na, Escalona na, bringing the ball down.
Escalona crossing the half-court line. And signaling a play, binigay dito kay Brillo, si Eligado. Hindi nakita sa post. Kaya si Mangubat with a teardrop using the glass.
What a gutsy shot mula dito kay Froilan Mangubat. That's a crucial one.
And yun ang Placer is on the lead with 87-86 with 53 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Yan si Aspe wants a pick. Aspe, top of the circle, three. No good. Two white shirt battling it out. Nakuha ni Brillo. Ayan ang Placer. Rushing. Natabik ni Dazzle Paul. And ang bola mananatili dito sa side ng Placer.
That shot, long three from Dazzle Paul Aspe could have been, sabi natin, the dagger for this game. Pero hindi nag-materialize. Medyo malakas yung tira ni Dazzle Paul.
And right now, partner, Placer calls for a timeout. And we'll see what will be the adjustments comes after the timeout.
Yeah, let's see how San Fernando will going to stop this offensive attempt nitong mga taga Placer dito. Now that we only have 36.8 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Again, this is game 1 ng inyong Ako Bicol Cup Masbate Best of 3 Championship Series.
Yes, I'd like to give a shoutout sa ating kaibigan na si Ray Permanes who is watching the game. Salamat sa panonood. And we have a 20-second shot clock dito sa side ng Placer with 36.8 seconds remaining sa ating huling yugto. This is a make or break para dito sa side ng Placer.
Nalibre sana sa ilalim doon itong si Brillo.
And yan na si Mangubat misses the shot pero nakuha pa rin nila ang bola.
And they will keep it alive. 19 seconds to go.
Shot clock is at 8. Mangubat binigay kay Brillo. 4 on the clock. Brillo for 3. No good pero nakuha pa rin nila ang bola. 6 seconds remaining. Mangubat. Foul.
Grabe yung swerte dito ng mga taga Placer. The ball is falling down sa kanilang mga kamay after those missed attempts.
And this is a very crucial free throw on the part of Froilan Mangubat. But this is just a 1-point lead. Kung may pasok niyan, dalawa, anything can happen. Because this is just, it will be a 3-point lead. So the door is still open para dito sa San Fernando.
And
Mangubat calmly sinks the first free throw.
A very composed guy. is the one responsible for the lead kanina.
Ayan na si Mangubat. Tingnan natin if what will be the result sa ating second free throw. Mangubat makes the second free throw.
It's a 3-point lead here at 4.2 seconds. Anything still can happen dito sa last possession na ito. Itong mga taga San Fernando. Hold on to your seats, mga kasurog.
This is just a 3-point lead. And we know the San Fernando squad can hit those 3-point shots. So pakaabangan natin dyan, lalo na itong si Marjon Puhol, who's been steady dito sa ating fourth quarter. And also his brother can shoot it also. And watch out for this guy na si Ian Vincent Alvarez.
Alvarez, he's a threat from the outside.
And,
nag-miss siya ng dalawa. Actually, hindi pa siya nakakakonekta mula sa 3-point country. But then again, he will be a threat kung maipapasok ito ng kanilang coach.
And yun na nga, I've seen sa ating view right now na nandito, nakapasok, his coach is giving instructions to this Ian Vincent Alvarez, and watch out for him. And also, Dassel Paul Aspe can hit those 3-point shots again.
Yes, of course. And of course, wag nating i-menos ang kakayahan itong si Marjo Puhol. He can hit crucial threes.
And if you remember, partner, sa game 1 ng ating Albay Leg, Dassel Paul Aspe hit the top of the 3 circle.
I remember that one pretty well.
And of course, ginantihan din ang 3-point shot nitong import ng Pulangi. So, Dassel Paul Aspe can hit those 3-point shots.
Those crucial 3-pointers. And let's see. Another time out here. So talagang binigyan tayo ng napakagandang laro ng dalawang kupunan na ito. The undefeated Placer and itong kupunan ng San Fernando have been into a roller coaster ride papunta dito sa ating championship series. Okay.
Yes, so we are back with 4.2 seconds. Kapit mga kasurog. This is just a 3-point lead.
So titingnan natin how good itong si Coach Harold Dusong for Team San Fernando with this planned offensive execution.
Yan na si Aspe. Back to Aspe. Binigay dito kay Bauson. Bauson shooting the 3.
And almost hitting that one.
And what an
sayang.
What an exciting.
Congratulations sa kupunan ng Placer.
What an exciting first game we have, partner.
Indeed.
What more can you ask? A down-the-wire game.
Down-the-wire game, indeed.
Big-time players stepping up in big-time games. So talagang this is a Bicol Cup Masbate for you.
It could have been a win for San Fernando. Kaya lang hindi pumabor ang siguro luck para sa kanila this time. But then again, yung question natin, ito bang Masbate leg ang magiging kauna-unahang leg na magkakaroon ng champion after a loss sa game 1?
Yes, right now, partner, Placer is now celebrating because of the win sa kanilang game 1.
Tama.
And look at the gesture, partner. Napakasaya at napakaganda dito sa Masbate City and dito sa ating venue. Talagang wala ka lang masasabi.
Congratulations sa Team Placer sa pangunguna ni Coach Edsel Vallena. And of course, the Mayor, Mayor Eusebio Dumuran Jr. Congratulations po. At sa kupunan naman ng San Fernando, talagang pinabilip niyo po kami. Grabe, we are very impressed dito sa naging performance nyo sa ating Game 1. And you could have won this game. As we take a look at some of the highlights of the ball game. And dito naman sa loob, mga kasarap, kung naririnig nyo ang ingay, ay talagang the Placer crowd is in jubilation right now. Parang champion na din sila.
Yan na sa Escalona, partner.
Okay, once again, ang Ako Bicol Bicol Cup Masbate Best of 3 Championship Series ay atin po sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katapang na kasurog ba, kasama niyo po si Kapa Morgan and Juan Indian Bachiller. And we are about to wrap this up.
Yes, bringing you this quality. Game 1 ang meron tayo, partner. And talagang ano ba hihilingin natin, partner? Yung blessings ng ating Panginoon, umulan pero tumigil. Yun na nga, nagkaroon tayo ng magandang Game 1. So talagang this is a good show para dito sa Masbateños.
I never expected that this is going to be this close, partner, para sa San Fernando na muntik nang manakawan at alam mo na, matalo for the very first time itong undefeated Placer. Pero then again, Placer with Coach Edsel Valiana leading it, pinatunayan na talagang unbeatable sila dito sa ating liga. But then again, this is just the game 1 ng ating Best of 3 Championship Series. Meron pa pong isang pagkakataon dito ang mga taga San Fernando.
Yes, meron tayong game 2 on September 3. That is on Wednesday, partner. Dito pa rin ata tayo sa
Milagros Municipal Covered Court. And then again, we'd like to thank the Mayor, Mayor Natividad Isabel R. Magbalon for allowing us to be here. Maraming salamat po at sa LGU ng Milagros.
But kudos pa rin, partner, dito sa San Fernando squad despite nga the numbers, and they still fought hard, and that forced Placer to this wonderful game dito sa ating game 1.
Tama, partner. And still, we're taking a look at the highlights of the ball game. Napakagandang laban. Talagang ito yung mga tipo ng laban na kahit napanood mo na, uulit-ulitin mo.
Yes,
so pwede nyo po yung gawin yan dahil nasa YouTube naman po tayo, nasa Facebook. Pwede po kayong manood ng paulit-ulit ng mga magagandang games natin, just like this one. Rep Saldico Facebook page, Ako Bicol Online TV, and siyempre Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page, at siyempre pa again sa ating YouTube channel, Ako Bicol Cup. And siyempre, paki-subscribe na rin po.
Yes, tama dyan.
Di ba mahilig ka sa TikTok, partner? Doon ka madalas eh.
Oh. Yes, partner.
Di ba mayroon tayong TikTok?
Oo, may TikTok ako, partner. Diyan natin pinapanood yung mga reels ng Ako Bicol Cup, partner.
And yes, it has been a pleasure doing this with you, Wadi Jan Panselier, and of course, yung mga kasama natin sa panel, sina Coach Paul Sepe, Jem Pleto, and of course, si Burns, David Burns Bernales, and of course, mga kasama natin sa court side, sina Mabel Echegoyen, si Miss Carmela Hernandez, si Danica Garcia, of course, and of course, sina Barbie Floriano, and who else? Si Jessamay Navales and the Seton Sisters. Yan, naging parte din sila dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. And hopefully sa second and final game ng ating championship series ay magtipon-tipon tayo. It's going to be a merry go-round para sa atin.
Kala ko Merry Christmas na partner.
Pwede. Malay mo, pag nabigyan na naman tayo ng bonus.
Ay, no.
Magiging Merry Christmas talaga. Advance yung Christmas natin. And sige, we're just waiting for our CSR para kapanayamin ng ating Kasurog Best Player of the Ball Game dito sa ating, again, Game 1 ng ating Best of 3 Championship Series. Sino kaya sa mga magigiting at mga matatapang na mga players ng Placer ang nagpakita ng exceptional performance dito sa larong ito at karapat-dapat na mabigyan ng award as Kasurog Player of the Game?
Yes, right now. Marami tayong candidates sa ating Kasurog Best Player of the Ball Game, pero tingnan natin kung sino ang magwawagi at sino hihirangin Kasurog Best Player of the Ball Game.
Okay. And again, we're about to wrap this up. So dito pa lang po ay kami po ay nagpapasalamat na sa inyo mga Kasurog for sticking around with us. At alam naman namin, kahit hindi nyo sabihin, nag-enjoy kayo sa larong ito.
Yun ang partner talaga. Again, this is Wadi Jan Bachiller at your service alongside with Kapa Morgan, and talagang what a quality game 1 na meron tayo na nasaksihan sa ating game 1, partner. Very close game, and right now kasama ng ating kasurog, best player of the ball game, si Carmela Hernandez. Miss Carmela, take it away.
Thank you so much, Kapa Morgan and Coach John, at magandang gabi, Masbate. With me as our kasurog player of the game dito sa ating first game best of 3 series. Walang iba kundi si John Carl Escalona, jersey number 24, scoring 17 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals. Ayan, first of all, congratulations for being our kasurog player of the game. Grabe yung pinakita mong laro for tonight. Sa tingin mo, ano ba yung naging strategy nyo at naipanalo nyo ito kagad?
Sinunod lang namin yung game plan namin tsaka yung mga play ni coach at tuloy-tuloy na to sa game 2. Yun lang po at wala na. Alak.
Ayan, that's it. Mukhang may gusto po ba kayong idagdag na katanungan, Kapa Morgan at Coach John? Go ahead.
Unang-una, John Carl, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Okay, you played coming off the bench. Ano ba ang feeling na dati naman ilinalagay ka sa starting 5 pero dito I think napansin ko magmula pa sa quarterfinals natin sa semis ay inilalagay ka ni Coach Edsel sa pangalawang platoon. Ano ang feeling nun?
Nakaka-pressure kasi off the bench kasi ako Tsaka tiwala lang ako sa sarili ko at tiwala ako kay coach na malaking tiwala ko kay coach kasi yung mga nakaraang araw may lagnat ako. Simula nung naglaro kami sa Aruroy, pataas yung lagnat ko.
Ay, talaga. Pero parang hindi ko nakita na nabawasan yung kumpiyansa mo. So congratulations sa'yo.
Thank you po.
Yes, John, meron lang akong katanungan. During the timeout, nakita ko na may draw na play itong si coach. But hindi nag-materialize because nga hindi mo na ipasa dun sa kampe. Ano naging reaction mo on that sequence?
Sobrang natakot ako kay coach kasi alam kong magagalit siya sa akin. Yun lang. Malaki naman yung tiwala ni coach sa akin Okay lang yun. Bawi na lang ako next.
Yes, congratulations sa'yo.
Paano mo tinitake yung mga ganong sitwasyon na napapagalitan kayo ng coach? Para na din doon sa ating mga viewers na mga gusto rin makapasok sa ganitong kalaking liga. Ano ang nararamdaman pagka napapagalitan ng coach?
Wala lang. Natural naman yun. Kasi part of the game naman talaga yun. Kasi coach yun. Talaga magagalit pag hindi mo sinunod yung play.
Tama.
Yes, right now, congratulations. And balik tayo, Ms. Carmela.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kapa Morgan and Coach John. Alright, John Carl, and this is also your chance para batiin ang mga sumusuporter sa'yo. Go ahead.
Binabati ko po yung asawa ko at saka yung anak ko. Yung pamilya ko po, yung tita ko po nasa Denmark, yung lolo ko po, tsaka Team Arats. Okay.
Alright, ayan mga kasurog, here concludes our first game dito sa ating finals best of 3 series tonight. Kaya naman, stay tuned sa aming social media platforms. Facebook page of Ako Bicol Portalist, Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Online TV, and also in our YouTube and TikTok account via Ako Bicol Cup. Kaya naman, in behalf of Ako Bicol Portalist, Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Cup Commissioner Sir Lloyd Rivera, I am Busy Head Ms. Razal Ureta, Technical Head Director Sir Christian Calye, and from the rest of the team, maraming salamat sa patuloy na pag-antabay at pagsuporta dito lamang sa Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. This is Carmelo Hernandez, your courtside reporter.
Kasama tropa at barkada, masarap ang panalo.